amabati yiga ntubwate etime ya Tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania nabo igo cyo tebereye kende gensi uraganiye bagotebereye company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo aho ayuare ye chikala aho nabo igo ayuwe bwate chi profile net gauges aho unabono babwate no mo corrugated nabo igo box corrugated asime ko babwate Dumrang ayuari aye chigech emerunge tato asama mabati alia aye chigech emerunge bire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design mbabwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo okunyara kabo gutumika kinga gicu gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yawo tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa kasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo mucyugo busongo eyerange neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba cyabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi mbona mbota hapa nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Mutigereri bwerire ya handonsi sole emagaroba ya bono litukeriga alia Jumatano citariki 15 cy'umutienyi ogata umutinyo 10 omwaka bwa 2025 nerituko likonkegima rituko libwato obokendo banne asensegima nabo nerituko liraende ase egetabu kimegano yense ya Kenya na sengenjo nerituko lia rituko omo waziri omonene omokoro omoske Raila Amolo Odinga hanyara kabaga korara kabwate emiaka 53 Raila Odinga oyu obeire omojumbe obeire omo Prime Minister naboigo obeire omuwasiri ase chwizara naboigo obeire omurai okwamiriria serikali ase gekegetambe naboigo omurai bwa masikani tali Kenya oka korenene nsengima nigasirio mabwa ya litukolia lero akarare ngonyora obobwenia ase enyagitare yamo ime yense ya India igo namagomba manene korwa ase enyomba yoburai bwense State House Nairobi goika ebinyoro ime goika kerase goika chichiro goika matabekani engwana litukolia lero nigoro yogosira kwae bwense Raila Amolo Odinga oyure omwana bw'omukonyi bw'omurai bwense omutang'ani omoske Jaramogi Oginga Odinga aboigo kubwatakana amono gosira kwayo mwancho murigereri nigo serikali yanagotera somurai bwense omoske William Samoei Ruto yanyakobaga korari buna nigo arachikobaga kurerwa ase egika kia matuka 5 ase ebandere erachikobekwa nusu muringoti naboigo chibandere gose abakoria mirimo ba serikali abanene guchaka omurai bwense batachikobaga kwerurukia chibendere nabono iga munatogokwana nigo emiroberi genderete yokwandikibuna omubere Raila Amolo Odinga orusigwe ase ensego senseli ya India na gwikuwa asense ya Kenya igo namagombo amanene guchia se amate abairi nabasani ense ya Kenya asobwamo naboigo ensingima esogosiria omonto motingu naboigo olio origereiri nabantu abange omoibori bwa abantu abange muna bande bagoteba baba wa wengi abuno tuguchakira ekionga lituko lia rero mwancho murigereria ekionga chinsaibere chenigo ngoro ku Haron Ototo Nyaingiri na nigo tuguchaka no mugano mwenge oye Raila Amolo Odinga muna oariganigwa no murikito Sam Bijenda
45 omwana boyorengo mokonyi b'omurai bwense omutang'ani omoske Jaramogi Oginga Odinga yonainde orenge omwamereri bwa serikali ase egekegetambe omoske Raila Odinga ekero airana kurwa ase ense ya German ase arenge gosoma akanyora emiremo buna omoteneneri o Kenya Bureau of Standard ase arenge buna omomanager emiremo akorete ase miakene na gukinigwa koba omodeputy director omwaka o 1978 gwekera 1982 ekero abete gatia barai bari batakete gonchora eserikali omwaka o 1982 omotenyo 8 abanyanyimbo bagatema gonchora eserikali yomoske Daniel Moi asebare koragwa nere Ezekiah Ochuka ekero Raila abwatatu asogokagirwa koba gatia bari babwate eganga yo gonchora eserikali yomoske Daniel Moi akabera asejela emyaka 6
When I was rotting in detention, I decided to spend some of that time in writing. And after a lengthy requests, which took years, they finally agreed to allow me to do some writing.
agachaka esabari yaye asokurwanira obusibori bw'ebyama ebinge kurwa ase gutwara ekemo ekikyare koragwa n'omoske Daniel Moi ekiama kiarenge gya Kanu ere amona Charles Rubia Kenneth Matiba abo bari kurwanira obusibori bw'ebyama bakabwatwa kurindekera babwatokwa agatamago kya asense ya Norway ase aho bwarete obugima bwaye
chambers ambazo zimejengwa kuweka watu huko ndani Nyayo House nimekaa huko usiku kuba nikiweka kwa maji yale yote
akaba omujumbe bw'ebunge ya Kibera yabaganitwe baadaye nakoba Kibra nabo igola ngata korwa omwaka o 1992 wika omwaka o 2007 Raila obeiroga kurwanira ekerogo ky'oburai bwense litang'ani asarwanirete ase omwaka o 1997 mwaka o 2007 asobochoribwa watu botutukanu mwaka o 2013 insiye katiba enye mwaka o 2017 ase ntunde ntang'ani kurinde ekero ekegambero gyatuguterare obochori obwe tachieti kurwanira ekerogo ekyo
sasa matashika adabu sio na sisi tuko tayari kama wanachunga kwenda nao mpaka kule katika debe timu ya Orange imeshinda timu ya Ndizi sivyo bao 10
again ase obochori bwo mwaka o 2022 Raila akarwanira ekerogo ekyo korende tachikubuwa Moske Raila Odinga akorera mange asensemo ya siasa buna bono akaronera obusibori bw'ebyama ebinge okwamirira katiba yo mwaka o 2005 yarenge eyeri toke neritunda eyarekarwagwa no Moske Mwai Kibaki magaga yokubugwa asobochori bwo mwaka o 2017 naitianetie buna omo people's president
Raila Amolo Odinga, in full realization of the high calling, assumed the office of the people's president.
Raila obeire omwamereri bwa serikali asegekege tambe libaga airete kurwa asitatu mwabo Jaramogi Oginga Odinga oyo olengo omwamereri omonene bw'eki serikali ky'omurai bwense omutang'ani Jomo Kenyatta aboigo omurai okabere Daniel Moi egento kyogokumia neba Raila ore kubugwa ase obochori nigo abwate enchira yogokora emirimo na serikali baadaye buna bono na akorete emirimo na Daniel Moi nonya orenge omwamereri oyo monene oge siasa
The merger of KANU a party of government since independence, with the NDP, a proactive and pragmatic party of opposition, presents us with an opportunity to serve Kenyans better.
The idea is not merely to dilute one party or swallow another party.
There come a time when the nation is more important than an individual.
Magega yabu na akorete gasi no Muske Mwai Kibaki magega yoko mokonya kubwekera gugi kibura ibwense omwaka o 2002 kurinde tibachi kuigwana ase amwameretie asogo chenche katiba yo mwaka 2005 kurinde kariye ko mwaka o 2007 asobo choribwa bwatu botutukano ande bagakora emiremo amo buna omora ibwense uyorenge Mwai Kibaki nere akababuna omwaziri omonene kurinde kariye ka omwaka o 2010 Raila Odinga na Mwai Kibaki bagachamo ase okoreta lichikuri ya lyo mwaka o 2010.
Today, we close a long chapter in our history. We put repression, exclusion, dictatorship, and heroic struggle behind us once and for all. We have opened a clean new page in our book.
Babwatrente no muraibense okano Muske Uhuru Kenyatta ase okubwatrena kwa manyikanete buna handshake. Boigo umurayo bono Muske Daktari William Ruto bakabwaterana iri korosia serikali ya broad based Muske Raila niga manyakaine asamalita mange unabona na manyakaine buna Agwambo Baba Tinga Jacom Rao Nyundo Rap Mibei na yanda mange kubwatikana na siasa chia echinse ya Kenya asabono siasa chia Kenya chikagere uko chiago chencha kuripoti rege taseni ikiage tembe Njensam Miyenda
Murigereria haso penge mugano yu noro Raila Amolo Odinga buna samanya kabaga ko kwerera na nigo abiriga korigia kirogo kyobura ibwense kuru mwaka obweri bweyemo chimikianda na 1997 nagoika muna hanyarete kabaga korigia kirogo kyo omwaka bwechibubere na 2022 na hona muna bete gago siria obugombo gusa muna baga gosiria obugombo ya litkolia lero na lero litko asenchira bene bunenchira ya moyo kumonyora Muske Raila Amolo Odinga niko twarigania bagani me studio elio fanyara koba kero yomoga kuru mubaroye igoro yaje Raila Amolo Odinga oyu tomanyete buna baba wa taifa oyu no ana bara ibense omora ibense Muske Uhuru Kenyatta omora ibense Muske William Ruto babere bakumorokerie teri baba wa taifa wote baba wa wengi nonye nekero obali barabuna bubatakere kuru baba igono muntu bwata maskani abene na mwanchu murigereri Vincent Abuga omo MCA we wodi ya Abogusero noyo mabo oli gochiko tukonya kurigereria mangana yukura sensemo ya gesiasa nabo mangana yuburane bwo bwene bwo manyamanto pena nyamwaro nabo igo samangana kurwa samangana boberera nimbo mangana no bumanyi bwa gesiasa bwansi Dennis Orioki head of state commendation no ari mi studio tunala kwato kurigereria inchira ende Johnston yakwato kumunyura chingaki ensengima ere samagombo chingaki ensengima here segesundeme watakana mono gosira kwa Raila Amolo Odinga na mwancho murigereri na eno bwateli bagalia bene lyo kumulira Raila Amolo Odinga omo former prime minister omo former member of parliament omo former minister na manga na yanda mange umuiboli na yanda mange na boigo muraibu kya magia ODM na ase namba 0741-533-878 0741-533-878 elinde tonyale kaba togosoma ujumbe yao ase enchira ayabene. Dennis.
Yes, Morali Ototo Haron.
Neli tukoliga sunde sana. No anjetereira ebetomu anjeti egento ngerege gochikia basense kero muntu koigunga egapu yatokire esobo mabwao nchirende yonse tebe nkwanya kumuikangera kinabogo feelinga ense yategokire.
Kwanza kwa niaba ya familia na bafuasi bande tokora sangalia ndatego toma condolences chiane gochia saba Kenya and na community yomo gusia at large asengancho ama kweli ya gapa pune surprise botambe mangana ngochara je mitandao abantu bloggers be mitandao baito monto nende bamubokia tugakeira go kusonde nga ye normal blogging yagenderate bande cloud chasing yagenderata but ekaro yaba nga news yana maene yaba confirmed na bayaba shocking again tunda kuandera se omusikara Odinga namba yamo ase ebitasene bya media kose Chinyumba choboralie. Raila was a news maker. Iga alenge a news maker. Kara alego chako senkisi function yaye karoto bwada matuko senabera tato Raila ngo chale news ye wanza koba omogano wanza koba wanza preparation science in one way or the other iga alenge news maker nene ntotuara kende ke ko majikorokana to gendrete ko buatie bune megano okonyorango mugano Raila bono ogoteke presidency ogocha motu ekimono ase chinyumba choborali na kigocha koba komisi mono sana na binto binde byale gocha none njira omusigara Raila Odinga alego kwanera abaralia kuse ichi media houses na wogo kagano bwatali swali otate ko moboliri kongumono lakini yo ikenjira ko ira neli swali lya kwa mobolia ira neli paka kwa ranga no nyota boli swali eli so lende in terms of asa mangane media bitaseni na binto binde Raila na jamisi kusana abe historia ali kirenene nende emiake yonsi asoire a generation ya kenga chi generation yange isatu wansere ko se millennial nende before millennial jarengo generation Z achire mbale bataramanya Raila buya but mugano yo ko majikorokana ngo taje chi generation bakangenye Raila buya ko manyana ase media ona kara ko kuana na ko moli swali lire straightforward litate a yes or no answer lakini umanya ko koire history oko igorre encyclopedia yo mugano globally
no ane speech chia
ya algo chiansa kwa ranga chia tambe ile lakini chia ya kokoa obo maheneget na hale obwata basani cutting across igabwata basani in the media igabwata basani in the political line igabwata basani in different categories no engusiga na bakonyora abwata bagakagete uko chiko boli buya kwa nyoranga mbale ngasigete ko serasha basometa kama onde mbale ngana ko se Nairobi University onde ko se sokoro yao mbamanya ine mbaramo kwa manya konyorango omogano goro mutambe iyada rich history okonyeligere lipaka bwate abanga omogako oyo is more grounded na bwato omogano mutambe togoja komisia maybe chinyomba chioboralia na bantu bande mbamisi omogano oyo okonyora no nyene category ya sports na bwate kiago kwana no na mangane biashara na bwate kiago kwana ona mangana siasa asa bwate ground ya kanene na bwate kiago kwana yama chikorokananga across board Raia toiko momisi amangana ko sena ya abarali na binto binda na bao ko omogano abarali sena no kole gasi yabo no nyene karo babwato kombozi amangana yali ya PPG aleko kwanerwa o koleta interparties parliamentary system weli karo ya alegocha na bao ko there is some journalists ba lenge in that clamor for change na binto binda very importantly constitution ya karo ya change we ya 2010 na contributed sana kama chikorokana nganere face ye katibenyi na binto binde abakenya bagoja komonyorera mono in the media fraternity a lot more especially kara kobe news maker na binto binde generally na bagoja kwa na bakomisi kumana na banki
babere bako mole bakorwa magano gose bakonyera ko bakumurira umuske Raila Amolo Odinga chingaki ama gombo agenda te kubwatanse kolende karuto kuraenda tukure nese studio akabutunyale roboti ruaje ase omo governor omutangani we county ya Kisii omoske James Elvis Omaribongwae oyu olenge omubwatani we kiama kia ODM nande olenge angekigima amo no murayo oyu omokoro nyagusira Raila Amolo Odinga tolale naere amagombae nikianyara kwa kwana igoro yo moske Raila Amolo Odinga
abagusiba minto esimwaika James Omaribongwae retired governor, former governor of Kisii County Government ayane no korete ngora esogosira kwoyo minto Raila Amolo Odinga ukabeire former prime minister ye republic yetu ya Kenya and obeire omurayo democracy for this country myake menge onkorete ngora yane kiera Raila ncheni mumanyite personally na bete chief campaign manager yaye na tenete campaigns kia Kenya yonsi ngima from the year 2012 to 2013 around March April, almost a period of 2 years. No montua we karanza komo obisia ye motu wa plan nere nga kia kwa campaign kiaye bune chief campaign manager yaye nche na abantu bari ku campaign li abandi nche na bachorete igo na ndi na ba governor ga Kisii se party yaye for 10 years ono musani one na ndo muntu na manyite buno muntu umia omuntu wa masikani na ende nchepuye ko manyene nche ntu abata problem nere katika problems ekigo kya siasa na kiro kibuna kire igo nche onkuru pole ese familia yaye esaba abaminto korwa be na ende bare amate yaito bare ne bara wa neighbors na abakenya bonsi esibaika ene sabali yaito na mwanya bantu otogo sabange agenda na Nyasaye mbiya mona bagusiba minto na ende gotoko nya gotara toko genda busikimo nanje tobe yamu mbiya mona. Thank you very much.
Bigirali naro na hatua tiga ukwana muna anigo ugusira kwa Raila Odinga kwa nyakaba ukwa mugoso no mondo kona mayanda manene no muchano munene nigo abanta bange banyakaba gwesokia ime chinsemo ao imechi ao na boigo nebi mechi na boigo konyarkaba bakorwa ebirangari bya kubatakana mono gusira kwa Raila Amolo Odinga asomo chobosongo nigo bamenyi bo muchobosongo basoka na boigo kumulira umuske Raila Amolo Odinga buna gutumanyia mulikito Daniel Ontiri.
Mapema lero hasumo chobosongo egati yabamenye nigo besokia hasobonge korokia amagombabo kubotikana no gukwa ku moske Raila Odinga egati abo bakorara nse bagusunguna na kigali na gukura bunencheremo yo korokia amagombo kuko na chinga kicho niko bateba buna bagosirwe no gukwa ku moske Raila uko bateba wacha gutabangiri
gotoge chiri sana egekorero mo akorarire ono mo gatwa inyoire na ande togo chiko inyora na ande twa inyorete gekogere binta koreire sere ito ya Kenya. The first place gongo nyoro mo akababa okoba ya devolution na magane chi counties amagane chi party multipartyism mwaka baba na ruanete segia Kongo waka Kenya tukanyola stability of politics na bono chi president cha rure magega baba bairo korrebi into totararo intubuna bana ichi baisaiga ekararo riro torange yari kamukunji mono ototebinge gento kete ko iberumore tuate na twakura pake serikali ira nanse bono tosinyire ngaki ngaito gochigo chakira
Kenya all Kenya yonsi twanyeire pole asogo sirio mugaka olego totetea yani omunyonge
sai county ya maendeleo yenye inaenda kwa county haikuwa mapresident walikuwa wanapeleka tu maendeleo mahali walikuwa wanafuatiwa
bono ntinale gusaba asenge nchomo gako ino muntu bwa maskani oberega gotetea Kenya sechinchemo chonsi oberega gotirana ba Kenya ono nagane nyendi ya nyare kana atarachi gotinde kwa aetigwe seji town county mbalimbali egere tunyare komorora na endu to rueshima ya ito yo maerio
bateba nyegosira Raila nigarachi konyerwa asamange gatiabo egati ya monchuru ayaretete chinga kiaringe asuburai na komenta nayo bakwanira ububa bwabo bwage siasa na mono hasorogongo rwa Nyanza ankyo yekiama gia ODM na mabulio bunaningo orache koba umurai okurigererio bokoreri bwe serikali uchiasa matuka busyo nonye no murai bwense
tensema ya ODM nanche muno yo amabu ODM bono atamire yembe kerundo mono sengencho yo logo tetea oyo gwata chinguru mono logo tetea oyo torigereri mono tayo
Raila Amolo Odinga goyuko kokwae nigaraire Kenya asichia bisi au egatiabo prime minister wajumbe kubo murai wazimio la umoja egati yichinde chinyinge nkoroboteri gataseni kya getembe litrene ngoro ko Daniel Untiri
kurwase county na mira kuchakira abarai kurwase county bakura wa mano senata county yo omoske elikyo kongo mogen aboigo abarai otanti mungondrepu na boigo mojumbe no boigo abananchi ba watambe no boigo abenga byabo igoro kusira ko Raila Amolo Odinga
Cheuno mo senata wa county ya Nyamira Kongo ni omogeni kwa niaba yangu familia yangu na wakazi wa county ya Nyamira onkoira chinga kechi korpole na ngora uchese familia yomonene we kyombe kya ODM omoske Raila Amolo Odinga aso bugusira kwae ongo tabiye bantu ba Kenya pole bantu be familia ODM pole na familia bomo senato to korega Snero Buru Odinga ngote banga pole sana mongina Ida pole abana baraire moisi pole ase obusiro mwako twa korire gasinere samotuka mangi sekenya ngima togotabanga tigomana Nyasaye atenene familia yo muga Raila Amolo Odinga ase jinga kichi choboko
Onyo tonyo olire nzole no uzuni sana soko ragoido onyo timo grade atimo gangora lakini side ya boda boda na to kanyete chipiki na Kibaki igaso benge ne birero dole
asama reta ngoro kwere dikuru keroka inde no uzuni sana se moga ko yuna to arare gabono eto no uzuni nyinga sana Gasare wanje gonye ndi ana ari ko bogotanga na boka tole no mo na magomba mango bogo como que conero que te turaba ando que quero mas na si era bueno tu eres nem
eu amo me serusa mamãe foi county ya Nyamira igonde no moitano monene con koirari ukeli korwa amagomba bene cia saba Kenya na kobwa mantia se family janya gosira mugaka Raila bona iga ntranyara botuara chinguru choko manyangi tora kwana igoritanga ntibaite gusabira abantu bamintanda okesimore obo toero rwabene ekero togenderete kurero mugako oyo ogerire Kenya yaito yabeire ke kogenderera bake ere kuja bakasinga kye this is a god sentiment hata waisinya ndira ira tarengo kanga Kenya yaito nkara yasirete
nchagno majimbo wagetetia masaba te kobe mara ya negotiese the family ni mo nyolese msimamo yae sana esense mo ya haki yote bana abantu bagana irikonyole haki yabo ere serikali ne bwana tokore gasi ile chorire ntomo inyole asamange tomo inyole asomonto kalenge no bwoba ulenge gotenena esenganelia igenete ogosira kwae nabo gotogosete twensi ekiagera abandi baito kuna inchencho lire se chama ya ODM nyanye ne chama no mshtuko manene gochese chama lakini ntomanyiti ngakiwo cha ukiwo chimambi esibona iga tigandengerati buya twalenge kora mwaini na masikani ayuanda siasa na chama abwati baadaye
nje ongoro kwa tatu kengere murayo Kenya Social Congress airo korera bakenya gas nonya bane mbanjira litinga korera gas ono nyasaye kamurangire tokumubika sabe asagiya abuna bakenya tigatomo celebrate ese gas yakorire erite ngatigire bari tutigarete moyo na indiro tokuero korigendereria ase siasa ya Kenya neje tware tofauti sokorara kwa mwaka Raila yaeleza chinde broad based government yaba yalita kumategemea ase chikura cha 2027 so as a broad based government na bondo che baratwale a challenge na ndio kabali method yengao strategy ngao yoko baje kwa 2027
Somebody thank you Dickson Machingo Mogaga on the aspirant Nyansiongo by election irobonaiga nekia mekene nekia ODM yonko saba bakenya bonse PS bali babeta tunyare kuinyoro Mogaga Raila Amolo Odinga asega asia tokoreire otoretoro busibore freedom of speech freedom ibinte binge na multi-party twins pia story go toichanete lakini gotogote banga nyasa tokubanga gochiana nyasa na erobanga gotogo sabere familia ae ande tonye beke sama goko nyasa ili ndio familia zinyare kole mbigwa
on behalf ya familia ya boda boda ngoto marambi cha bana boda boda bonse pibanya mira county engima na Gusii engima oja se familia ya Mama Aida itugore ara ndo aboka no moichano asogo sirio mwako berega koba mwana demokrasia mo his excellency the former prime minister Raila Amolo Odinga njemuna anje no mwanafunzi wa siasa Raila otokonyire freedom wetu bwade wa speech freedom of association freedom yonse byo gukora maandamano nero redete chinga gijiri chingoro bandu mbale gukora maandamano omwakori na reda democracy Kenya ngima chinga gijakare gara kwale kwana kene yonse eseri rero muno ko bwatu okorume within 24 hours
yonale wacha abantu
nigo muraibu enso musika William Samoei Ruto anyarakabaga kuraria buna nigo ensi ya Kenya erachikoba ase chingagichio kobokia magombo hasa matukata nabere ase ebandere egochi kubekwa nusu muringoti na boigo chibandere gusaba kuri mirimo bya serikali mono umuraibu enso mokonyo umuraibu ensi nabo wasiri abali bantu bakwiruka chibandere batari ko chikonyara kwa bakwiruka chibandere cyo munenjira yamo yugo chia yokugendera kumulira omoske Raila Amolo Odinga bana natiko gotabi ni gotori nabagani me studio Vincent Abuga umwe musiebwe wodi abugusero Bernard Nyamwaro oyole murane bo bayane bo manya bantu naboigo umuliki umukoro head of state commendation Dennis Orioki na saka kwa bana kwa no muliki umukoro na nyuranga muliki tariko gota lakini asakare konya Dennis Orioki tokwaniri umoske Vincent Abuga nengana yokogota sana ngolengi ondebwensi andonse sikwanyara information nga Raila osirire Raila oralire information ekara yago chiriri tangani ngolengi asa abantu abange injabu gwate shock chenjera yae ahinga kikwa engane ngakiyago ikera ngakikwaye bwata
uri tangani tigante benga na mangana yokosa personally nanyore information ikindi Nairobi actually unangu kuona igano nyembu onekatindaika yorenderi tangani nataka niseme pole kwa familia as huku muslimu wa Raila. At the same time we as the ODM members awanta getego tebanga tuakirwe kibuku kirekero more especially unanji because empathy angirite se assembly ya Kisii
ODM
empathy ya ODM igorende na wonta getego confirmunga nubur at the same time tarinje bika na wonta getego tebanga kwa niaba ya bantu bonse babugusero waja niseme pole kubwa aso siri my patrinda muske Raila Amolo Odinga. At the same time ntebe pole as abana Kenya once together with the family more especially we county ya Siaya igorende pole na ende pole kubwa
yeah na so kumira kwa unza chine kwa yora nyako kumira ase nchele yobwingiga pero kilenza chinde kialengi ile itio kwa mabwa
ontagete goteba is among abantu bagerete ngacho in politics because personally inje nanjete siasa lakini the way narochenga the way agokora siasa yae nkaba impressed ekangeni courage na inje ngacho in politics igorende nintegete goteba nga reiters twarengenere neliga narenge twarenge State House. And it happened nga we were very close tukakwanani tigantebe nga ukurende na kukwarenga ukwanani kwa mwari rakirende nimanyite nga nabo muntu kwenyuru n'abantu abange mwa especially as siasa ya Kenya na ndi nimanyite nga ukurukwa Raila siasa ya Kenya bono ya change almost immediately igo what I'm worried for nkiringa uyo gocha kumrepresent error yeri konyora go pray no rulio ina ili swali linene and for now I want to assume nga sabantu bali ba bugetutu abantu bali ba bugusero nimanyete nga bono ninjenja go pray error ya within kitutu jaje south lakini beyond kesi tingo nyara because shinguru jana ne jinge igo nabonta geto confirm ase kitutu jaje south ninjembera ira omoke okitutu jaje south
ninjira ya myogo sika eligasi ya jana nyotara ndese pena nyamaro ekia mgodia mwegweso mbwatania ya omogo ekia bwate meiga yugo chingire miaka 20 na buno amangana cha kuchinga kwanja ja kategori yo oko taigo bijake mobile kwa ya maskerera Moro Odinga za chinde gentenga kia fitimero bele yonsi ne kia magia ODM specifically ko bwate kanana ne kia makonya kia togeda na Raila has been the face of the party for a long time.
Na bonta que tengo te van a function yare go happen Mombasa ya tena for a reason being ngaraira no muroiro ringe there is that rumors ya jite mapema nga Raila ukure lakini ilikuwa ni rumors na kawaida ya siasa umanyite gendo na bogeko ba na ndikwa nyora kiagende all round igorende one function injare ko enda because a party leader omonyene party na ruta igwete bia ikono wanyemba libage tu umera ne toro ni ari ya kujuana tu toro kinge kirenga a function was to continue rakende unfortunately it happening at tenyare kaneti because shomonyene party atarenge present iko on one way or the other no energy program jirichonsi cha konyachia korekane Mombasa already ni asara kwa wana achungwa igorenda I want to hope nga immediately no mugaka toko roberia mangana ye bwango because already naligete wiri yae na bara beta ba for long onyole function ya yego somuro roberia ego kwera in less than 4 or 5 days yonda itego sabanga kwa niaba ya wanachungwa bonsipi tigantebe nga tigato sabero mwakara arabia corrense mo ya yaune patrida o corrense mo na ya because you can agree with me is the only politician o sabiriji serikali almost chance pija bere Kenya o cha gerguru kia moi he was in leadership o ichenga kia Kibaki o ichenga kia Uhuru Naboni ya Ruto igo is among the senior most politicians to asiri asense ito ya Kenya of which will take time na ende goje kwenye oromontoro of the same
nipa kitemonto na ro sentwale ngo kwa notabanga even in 100 years we will never have a Raila in the country.
Of course I agree with you lakini ende na inje ninteme kurumaganda usimike Bernard Raila orwanire isiko na ime serikali ekirenga kia kanene butambe nigo kia lengenga era no kurwanira mwana inchi butambe ebe na abe na serikali ebe na isiko ya serikali kila nyako boko kwa igoro ya umuskerera Moro Odinga na nda ya mangana ya konyora
litangani tazagwena liya yo mitoto tungambie mona silibaga itangana inchi ngire libageli ko ira ngora yane as a family ya Raila Molo Odinga mongino ya na bana bae bamura ba mwabo baswati ba mwabo na ba Kenya na Africa za whole ekiagera twasiririe umugambo n'umubo n'umutugu kino chongorregete umanyekane tase medicinal value yae mangana ya ganyora kinde buone kakra chinsa ibere naende mushtuko munene norororo ekiagera asokonyora obosibori bwa Kenya korwa 1972 ekero Raila Amolo Odinga abekiretwe ng'a osoira se 1982 ng'osoira se ku akobwatwa akobekwa chera agwebisa gochibuganda koirana 1997 mangana ya multi-party 1994 ekero isagosira 2005 ekero togochaka referendum abo ase serikali ya rosetie agore gosabanga tonyore devolution omoske Kibaki akabugwa ase referendum ya 2005 in 2007-2010 ekero Kibaki irana akatema sana akaroranga ugatuzi ya ibagari nena asobugima bwo Kenya igo nari gotebanga nonye mbona abakenya bange nturigena nga Raila nakwete wikira rituko osechinsa gwika Kenya na into twene kinga Raila ukure iyenga bona chindoto ekiagera nere tata bwa obwegereri bwa abakenya asechimsemo chonse korwasi kerale serikali asokoleta obwama tobuya na chiserikali chiabeiro nonyo obeire gakoibera chikura na chinga kichonse obeire gakoleta omurembe n'obugayani gati ya serikali n'abantu ba Kenya na mondo tayo toranyore asensi yetu ya Kenya gochakira rero lioko mweshimiwa teme aso ase bikuru tobyaye ende ndade gosabanga nyore nsemenene asi okonyore position ase chama ya ODM ekiagera umuburukano osoiroro
bimono na ese abange bagokwana robotindura na ruwa kwa no MCA yo omukoro kurwa se county ya Kisii omoske chocho marara bibao amachiko raga kirikianya koba igati abantu bali bakwandira ndenganza chindera irero manyene nigo kwanya ariganiringa na bara base kutotiga ikagera ebitambukiro mbira korete bibiri bitatu igabikoro ngere konyo prepare na kwarigani bara angenere na kubatiga asenza chinde batanya ariko babakorera mono bungo kwana se familia na gesiasa no na bakenya banenga in one way or the other maybe Raila prepared himself about yoruo rwaligani no muliketo Gilbert Kobi muna rogocha sembeo
yogosira kwa oyo kabere mu Prime Minister Raila Odinga abakenya bagenderete kuriya bagokorera na koreta magombabo asenchera tinchera ao asensemo ya machoge burabu abarai ao beso kiana se okomwenia omuga kamaticha asensemo ya getacho bio kindo ni gobanya ko bagweso kia na kumukwana umurayo yo koba umurayo nyako bakoreta monchuru ya asense
ngora yane ya Paul kwanza so mheshimiwa familia mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga mama Ida ni familia Usirio bogima, in whichever way it comes, it's a very painful experience. Father, you may not know, Chinachwari uchukura marakavere weterese kiama gege ODM, ne pati laida neno mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga.
Yo kabeire mu MCA we ward ya Bokimonge, George Morara bibao ni gonya arakobaga kweresera ng'ogusira kwa Raila Odinga no gwakwo konene gukia setari Kenya yoka nabo igona ase kiama ya ODM.
Of the statesmen yo minto the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga igara arabonu mampia na inche buno monto ni familia ne tiga nyaba Kenya pole mono the ODM fraternity na inche nintegete ko tabanga Raila okoliga asingi ya Kenya tiga tumusabere
Rende biwao ni gate birebuna Raila osirire na umurai omonene onyariko wakubwata ensemo ya Luo Nyanza nabo igo gokonya abantu bakurwa kinsemo kiri chamate sokonyori bibo ebirogo ao okubasira gweso ya serikali mu MCA gwensemo ya Bokimonge asikinga kikiga Amos Onderi neranya ko baga kumurera nabo igo rwengora yae gukyase familia ya Raila Odinga
nere akaroranda ke mogendare kung'anya korugo ikubugense kera tori kumanya ere agatebia abantu basobo ubatigire serikali ime. That is why ekera egwegetari ebirugo byonsi pi aimugetia kaira so no mugusiyori twenge kumuhagamerera twamusuguma nabatutiga nonyenti motubusiroro tairikende
onderi nere na nyako gakweresera muna taratiga bantu baye muna cintakana ase oburai bwensa atebire muna nigabatiga asokoboko gwe serikali na igonga kurwa gusintu takiri konyaga ko batugwesokia
kero mwishimia bibao kwandekere very important Raila norosira otigire abantu babogere imeya serikali na inde the experience na itina twalira matukaya bwangu monoiga there is nothing that is as beautiful as being in the government yako gara development nyingi amako nyoleka muri ase serikali
abarai abo babere yani George Bibao nabo igo amosonde nigo basabo omugusi gwesoke na kumusira Fred Matiang'i uyorokirie ganga yo kuriekero ky'oburai bwense asinga kicire mutwe
twatebete umuntu to support gato watu ne candidate no mweshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i na ndebusi yonse na twatebega that is where we are going to vote na habari la linchi atokea tumenyenga nchi atokea lakini when that could have happened ko bwere ndeye umwe wakatore sawe kama tukaya bose iko nyara Fred Osoire serikali obere president well and good
mangaiga tairere na tieta bagere ese serikali na intuano 2027 tigatobeke Matiang'i ito kanera gusena tobeka sagaya ekerense abeire bya
narabeire asebirero nabo igo koreta magombo yo kumwenia nabo igo korerera efamily na no murayi yo kabeire Prime Minister Raila Odinga kuribotira getembe kurwase ensemo ya Bukimonge nere ward constitution ya umachoge ora gwe county ya Kisia Marieta Nje Gilbert Kobi
Tumu ligereri no robot ruaye umuri keito Gilbert Kobi toirane asode head of state commendation then Sorioki kwa mutiri gotegera robot yoru nansa chinde abantu mbale ase ngolengi umwana maketa kulika wili igende getangani lakini ngotebekanire nga muskerero Odinga naligete wili yaye eyunza chinde gotebekana igo chiko tumeka erinde tanyara ko baga kwire chinga kichitamba tarayanigwa kine kamagende gya kabiri ngelinga ebitambo kerobiria nyako bako mukibi gesiasa amatukabwa ngoiga nza chinde kolengana na igatia baraye ne gatia bananchi kelinga konya uyariganiringa tanyara kubaga gotiga ababwatani baye ase batarochi gusesa amatabekana na turatebe ikote efyu yawo igoro yekerengere kengerinirige
biamono morali ototo naende ebirero nkonyako soka bire korwase abananchi abande mbale yabanga mosio shock abande they are coming to terms a reality nelinga it will take a bit of time ko guanchanga the late Raila Amolo Odinga indeed died tayo ebinto nebinge byabeire gocha following yoma okukwaye unfortunately abande mbale batabanga premonition yarenge ngana babwate birengererigete egaika paka hakokwana bwekanga no kwinki ni kwinki bakongomboyo kindakwe if I go to heaven igombuya iginda ganda hell na bango nyabasande bana bange bare hell yabo bono lende gocha na bakoranga ebinto mbire byaba pakoko sinyuanga kinu bwata kwalenge bibwata science nga umurobeli no karora even the way I insisted in about no so broad based government agateba random sampling yako kora Kenya ngima agakora random sampling aba Kenya bagagetenga lende gen sikia rokanetere against ya serikali taigo chikogenda sa serikali lakini akagenda indeed akagenda sa serikali naende buna mheshimiwa Bibate ababunga no some of those lots chiachete ko serikali na botokoranga asenale chiachete aba bwatani baye bakisiasa babere bako bane
sacrifice la lot
ko machiko baligereri ngababo paranya babo jo babo mbadi ekarokananga nabuo abekire motu obaire some of those positions ekoma chikarokananga nko bangalenge bintebi na manyetenga makweli yabairanga so lende be it as it may na beko ekoma chiarokananga ebirenge nawo biko gotangana ne tabanga noro chae makweli naro lakini ebirenge bikaba bya motangana akarokana otaete kobanga ebinto byae onyole ngakielia arenge kenyang'anyiro kia obo chairman wa AU ekamachikorokananga naro oligirie nchera akobeka abakonyi baye bune party leader akabeka chi position ngoko mo tenenera asenga KAU nke paka bono yaro kanenga bantu bali apika ti bake na bara take over e party na boraibu aye bono
so in a way aka organize succession yae politically no
enko ruwe family na bokoranga Oburu Odinga has been on the lead none karenga kigete liri 2022 omweleke ole komachikorokana Oburu Odinga na ole go chatebanga engakiento bwate system engakie yento iko chikogenda buna mokageti serikali bono twasoire mento bwate system equally no eneli achete ko so broad based government na baigeta gatebanga serikali yale kende kiale go chakoba omonto ole go chakoba president ngashagwa gosaba na jeje batake over the government ekibono kiri kebe mono nonye my brother atanje ndo wanja kegende go direction yeyi so lendo machikoranga nonya Raila tayo muntu rakwana tegereru
no Oburu
mumuro mwa manene ya machikorokananga omwelekeo nole omachirikorokana kende kwaboli abwe wili okoranga none William tota ko preempt ndi yali geta none William na bokoranga engakia ya kero ya bete nga orabeire gakonda nyagitari ngakia kero ya bete nga yabere irange na bayatebete nga ya tintaiti because a position yaye a stature yaye a nationalist actually a pan-africanist bono chire bako very world leader prime minister ya India ya tebanga igamu manyete kale prime minister karere chief minister state ya Gujarat igono monto buata connections all over akamanya koranga ainse gotiga engane yegenda for long tanye enclosed tanye timelines na babantu barasumbuke ndomanya tenga mangana ya matanga na bokonyora at the level ya Raila bune world leader bono ko se pan-africanist a lot is expected ngaete muarare romambia abantu mbagenda karen baichora paka no aido Odinga karale kokwana ya asinya osinyo kokwana abande mbagenda bondo abantu mbagenda chi street assuming abaganya abonsi pimba taka go chabuo ose no Raila bagoji na berabe egendo karabe kana it will be overwhelming egendo kende budgetary implication at the level ya yabo na former prime minister budget nera ali bara limit yake nonye abantu banalete bone state mbu yeso ime eshugulegere some other things erete order na bintu binde ko chimutu na ro none duration yeyo within 72 hours it's a bit manageable asengenjo morning days yabekru even beyond barrio still morning na beko genda na bintu binde bigendere none kanisa na aligere update yenda Anglican Church na hero ya very part of the organizing team inkagereta na ere ready aseme robeli ko gendera I think far and wide na bokoranga Raila at the age of 80 abanze we prepare buna mogako ndole gwae miaka ya kaba kabire
oganya koranganga ya njwa gacha
yes in your last days na bokorokananga bono na bogwanza kobanga inkikerabe moina na moina I think in a normal African society ebingo chebere byaba
musikabuga ay muna mubwatana bekia magia ODM nsachinde na bora tokinga ekaro mangana ya jage tukaba tare korekana na be gonta chini nyara kuligere magora ngeso ogotenere botere kia magia ODM za chindo oligere nga omura omuskeraira na ligere ti nganchira ki succession kia mege gokorekana era gendere
you know a party ODM ne party mogeti abantu abanga as much as Raila is our party leader na ende koro mushi umanyete we go train no ena ba murabao so train abana na in case mambi toyo
ba manyanga ibaga sara
so they will take charge igo na bonta gete ko agree na my brother nga omurobeli bukori ke will yo moske Raila I want to confirm nga reite sigere to umerena Raila State House ikiro kumutegera from a distance actually no any sauti yayo bure tukonyora
ya chagire gusira unless
atumie microphone ada istoku muiko igorende nabonda getego tebanga narengawe nabanda baba ne you know sometimes ita konyara we exposing anarware igo possibly nabo konyanga konyotu a condition yaye ya orokiringa guseba munyagitari oye omu advise accordingly nga state ya Ethiopia igo automatically erinda tiga bantu ndaseba sign oikarenge gokora a will. Another thing entagete kwagiri na my brother assuming ibono Raila ngoga juarenge for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Nairobi anga yuga geretari waju because as it remains etoke ngamambia gore to everybody oikata ke komor. That is the question bono tukwe boli unabarai.
Ya koretu
ya kobegu because there is no way urakani abantu ngambaso akujali bachikomor. Everybody oikata ke kora Raila because Raila is to everybody. It's a national radio anjire with almost everybody. Yonte etekotebanga personally na inji na wonda gete kwagiri so gotebanga umurobiri oye oganiri ogende bwangu because bono liori tu amugajire chiwiki bere ingige goba nothing will change. Ta kubuka igo egendo kerongeringa tigaga chukuringane wiri ya there is reporting na ligete wiri ya maybe attend ku 72 hours and report remains inga maybe by Saturday ngonya ororo mugago yo ogotindeku ngindagete goteba entuna bana ODM nimenyete nga twatware cap eyigo ya gotwa affect politically totally sure ngango take charge korwase a position ya tigruno muskera ira because okorigeria baraibaro at the moment na bokoranga they are not that aggressive una Raila renge igo a challenge nero na endekero kubarigeri bukambaje batake ko nando bakurwandanga we read you know egendo kendo ise kurigeri no ene kira bagete positions baye na arigereti abantu bari diehards baye bari babere very close nera matuka mange akabasawadi ngenja ye no gobogare kwirani nga in case tayo etoke ngobatigiri na position baranyare kwegendere kubo igo nitisho na wonta gete batanga negento gyokobosa na ndrende tigante be pole anyway
on the same bena de karo o chaime ase sikoligeria abantu ete challengement Raila berega okorana chine serikali cha itirikuru maiga arrangement ya eno murai wense muskuri amruto nere unique unique in that nigo abwatogete abaraya baye agose timu yaye which ase serikali me 100% otayo because kare go kirabaka omuntu muna joho renge party deputy party leader akobwato kapia tanga bano talimo bwata nibe kiama gya ODM osoire serikali kabisa 100% and then kwa banyora bako none si campaign bako teba already no bale semo ya tutam ono era iro ko teba ngando to 2027 akire barbo already bara dinga barbo already no bale ga koranga ere na babwato gete 100% gatanga ki no soka because sikuriga limuna bano go sini chinga kya korete akobwata na mano murai bwenso kana musikuru Kenyatta bantu mbasogete kuri ODM gochese serikali nigasogete anya barwe toro bali barenge totebe gosen kutande ku junior officers abantu bali batamanyira abakonye bae no batigatese kyamugi ODM anya ne serikali ya Kibaki nigasogete serikali ya Kibaki baada bantu batigara bwatane batigara baro ODM lakini baada serikali batije tukosoka na basokerwe ODM nkie kige koroke kurwe sale ese as far as preparation yaye yo exit the political scene maybe and unfortunately ya betari exit political scene yoka or exit even in life.
I want to be in very contrary opinion to my brothers. Ekene nkiringa ekero emiaka ya bere omuntu amakweli ngumukwanirare that is true. Lakini gonda ete ukana iganga ki in fact ewiri yakoretu ngwaye yakoretu taira ilo dingo koretu my spirit and conscience tells me Omogakoria is a prominent, eminent, a super king in Africa. Ekerare igo, he has been a mentor to many African leaders. Na intwe seitogiga. In the normal thinking, ebirangere bironge byo musacha buronge. Ekiagara Oburu Odinga is slightly older kubwa mugaka uyu. At the age and the helm of transiting this country, kwenye ruhusi kurua so kubwa leadership, asiko sine liyakane akoro sige ntutokoro kachi coalition for the good yaba Kenya. Raila Odinga tali kulike will ngati ndekwe inse ya matukatatu ekiagara ntubwata abantu bamusigete ensengima. Raila has been the president of Kenya for a long time in disguise. So in the analysis yege ndege ndote kobeka neki kwa Raila Odinga tarenga wengangu chiali gukwa gosego garwarete konye nkorwari wari nkogendare ngonye ndiri arwari tagendrete kurwari gututu mintu anga there was very clear organization na structures cia bantu ba ODM in entirety. Raila Odinga as a statesman na endo monto rwanereire aba Kenya na Africa ekiagera very representative in the AU oririe kirogo kyokobe president ya AU tagutaka gutindikwa inzi ya matukatatu ekiagera naga nere aye wesiko na abaraibonsi n'abantu ba Africa abagima bamurere na bamwakire mbuya asimere makorire. So nari goteba igo again dege korire kurwa se family the mangana ye president tamanyeti kwarore kelnege ntokiri kire go protect and to preserve the sanctity of security of this country. Ngagi amangana yo mheshimiwa kwa nanga mwara bantu mbagenda Bondo, bantu mbagenda street, mbagenda Karen eke is what the family looked into. Bagateba ya tokorozi will egoteba umugaka teba tinde ko inse ya matukatatu. Whatever the case, na nyina abakenya bangi wikabaje be murungani nga omugaka ngakiago teba yegendege yache gyasoka baadaye bono maragobanga ngakyo mugaka agoteba ngatinde kwe inse ya matukatatu akere president of the Republic of Kenya ore a coalition partner as a broad-based government agoteba nga igotogo lera the preparations can be made within the timelines of 3 days but why the hurry? Of course, a will yomondongo square. That is in order. But I don't think in the normal conscious ya Raila Amolo Odinga na tebetenga tinde kwe insiyama tukata to ekiagara igoriye position are only in this country in all coalitions. Again to kende when he just leaves, why should ogotinde kwa insiyama tukata to gotekia center stage woetania other normal issues chikotoka se will, property, inheritance, continuity of his position. Buna omoegereri bwa oboronge bwa bantu okurwanirira abantu okunokoba. Today in Africa, unless Bobi Wine in Uganda, not even omomuro Tanzania ga obekire yase
tondolizo
ora imeka na tebi biashara bigo koreka na itukolia lero in Africa muntu onde tai orati in Africa ate basense yayenga lero iga safari ko muntu liko nyetumeka nobody else. So that position omugako oyo abwate ne position ya rengena ne mono etaliko warrant atinde kuinse ya matukatatu. We don't receive anything. Okure, that is in order. But you see, he is a statesman. When the president of your republic ya Kenya goteba
ya mate ya ekaro matekara ekara asirire pado esa gutinde kunese family yae otikaire koba ise umugaka Ida na ise babo Rosemary na ise babo Raila Odinga Junior na mumuro mwabo Oburu Odinga. Don't you think mbabwa triga aliyo kotabanga no yito na yito bwata chinguru cyo kwa
naende yaya. The family has that repository responsibility yoko tebanga umugaka tebe takoreki ayeni bwenge nchi. because igate betenga abekwe asembera igatia ise no mwana oye Fidel, isn't it? Lakini abe interred. Ono nali goteba iga Raila Amolo Odinga kando ne family goteba buna wate biro tutu igo igo nali goteba nga kero mundu ngo sikale ebirengererio bio muntu usirire naende bagoteba nga musike nyagusira ayewa maskani aye
amaskani ayo abwatrana
ayonsi aliyete abebo but to a normal conscious thinking right man take over
orio kingu kwana kwa lenge kulendo nyumo tara kwana statement ya nyamwaro yangi nyoiri goro ya president ya Zambia omokoro former president Edgar Lungu nige familia mutindegete gosega taye yangu mutindega South Africa tama nga sofa kine nyakia garete bona ukunguzana wakabagati ya serikali ejo tagite ale twatinde ku Zambia na familia gataba tinde ku South Africa biamono moralia arono toto matters funeral or burial it touches more on family. It's personal to the family. If there is no will or any other exception, it remains a family issue. That is why, in as much as the state is there, but the family remains core in terms of decisions. But I know leaders at the level ya Raila Odinga, there are a lot of things agotaka o finalize buno mogako leboae o bagano aneke gingakia oge butora bunata oge butora ya mabera raisi tatagota banga back in the history to avere to kolige no president wa avere bakobo onse koligerelia their burial duration igako ganda maximum of 10 days and that one era necessitated because of other things but I corrigate that. If you look at Moi Ekara Sirete, I think it was February 4th, he was buried I think in under 10 days. He was buried at 12th. Tachieti more than 7 days. Within those few days, noranga burial ya bangirwe. Abara ya the level yabo okonya most of the things were finalized, not much yet igarete ko shugulika. No inkibaki I think he died April 2022. By 30th, I think he was buried. March of no sakoliga rebuild te nyagitari bintombio minene bikonya koshugule most of the things will ekarochiro na mechando te menene asinge njoba koligeri no ne family ne ta ko time to mourn because mourning begins immediately after burial. Remembrance once a lot will begin happening. That period. Once you know now our brothers from the Muslim side, Mbabu had their own duration. That one is important for the family. So your family decides, and if the individual decided there could be a good reason behind it without judging any other implications. Even their families, Chico deciding within a short period, they are not even Muslims, they are Christians, they are deciding within a stipulated time, and there could be reasons that they could be living, and there could be good reasons. Again, tokende some other circumstances could allow maybe a duration even time mwana na America karo mwana na masoma karo mwana na wad exam. Essentially omontoga kule nothing much you may expect bari yota kere bangu as soon as possible no enko a family time to mourn and doing other things. That could be my contribution, but as far as my brother Beniate Abanga, it could be a creation of the state or other family members but I take bwango. I don't know how far that one can go, but the truth is a state may want to have this thing again then or within 7 days. For reasons well known, a state now may want to hurry even the process, because I know there could be struggles within 3 days. Kobanga look at the team that is going to India. They expected around 1 midnight by Kalia. They'll be given 2 hours. It is a tiresome exercise. By the time maybe that pressure even the state
given njabo ate chingaki na bayare go tema go intervene extend a little bit but I'm told the new development nailing abari kale Sunday
yeah,
perhaps after those 72 hours bono abari ona bekoba but a struggle state era agenda go strain na go other things even the family tiare konyara darwa state go soime eba support it is a will yakoba honored and with that respect ya the late Raila Odinga rende a family ever supported next state na liera ikeranie binte ibwango otherwise a family etigerwe with those other logistics in place na bakonyanga bara struggle so much
there is the issue mnabonega na maskani toko omoske Raila Amolo Odinga amaskani yo moelio but then irane angeti wikibero chimaega Raila had been killed many times.
Yes.
Oituru maramange. But the footage chikuru sinya gitari ali ngoro kirenga ki of course no eba ateme to kumeta na nyole nya gitari some footage na ranga in this morning ngota ararenge sinya gitari agotare bodyguard yake kurumaiga. So it means no nya bali ba muitete mapema he was not on a deathbed.
So with the assumption that the footage is correct and the timing and the dates without putting any
and the report of the police
and the report
of the police yagotebanga alikuwa ega set ya DW yagotebanga he was working with his sister and the daughter ekara corrupts.
All right, so assuming those assertions are correct, then we can say it worked in a coincidence today because a president just sent it to some law.
Yeah, 8 laws.
8 laws, but there was a specific one, Computer Misuse Act. To allow the state even to delete some content, igere malicious, igere
but deleted from the back end.
Yeah, from the back end, igere appear to be injurious to the subject or into question. So I don't know how that one happened, but look at the way things are working out. There was a law, and then subsequently the other things we again somehow contravening the same law. I think Kenya, among the other countries in Africa, the freedom the same thing okorwanera careful to some extent Uhuru Raila Rwanda nende answer come haunt. So lende in as much as ya korwana for freedom weye tabwa te bonchebua ye aleko toka ngana bwa to bonchebua ya ngana rose ya machiko akomo favor muna Raila Odinga but no nenga ki agency ya chete ime njare tete ekoba ko se libera ke teli ko machiko mo aketobe ro monyene. What are we saying? Kochimutua Ntowa the freedom, yes, Raila Rwanerete na bintobinde, multipartism, among other things. Bintobinde, to some extent, imbita moderation. Moderation ya neto konyak. A footage, even the family, njata gete, given the family, nyara yale, ngenyale kuala some footage, perhaps, ekina kiyako na Raila na manyetenga, estate yende, munande in the public limelight, bintombire bira kolekane be effective in the family, began the far to some extent be effective family much bisara ni no family ane na bintobinde na kio no embari yeta kirebe limited to some days ekonye bantu bande no common. There are people who are celebrating for information and that one has an implication to the family members, including other people who are very, very close to Raila Odinga. Then profiling narrow, some are saying they are becoming human, but when you celebrate the death, there's a way that celebration here Akorwe, Oburu Odinga whatever. In both ways, we are celebrating Miaka Raila Manyate Miaka Tamanini. At the same time, we are mourning. So there is a celebration here for the good things Raila did over this period. People are trying to take advantage of which some Kenyans are doing, which is a bit unfortunate.
negente kama kere acting sana gekoro muntu ugutigana negente kwengo kora konya gusene na kwale ngosene you are busy in the office or somewhere kwanyora ngabona information ile achire ngagose no muntu gedosire ugochikomenya ka kwanyora kwa be disturbed. I can imagine no mboneka before kero information tanga ya sokata ngomusikira ira izachinde bugibabwa emboli buya abantu bali babete disturb no nechi office bali gukora imirimo ngigeta kiri koru egere bintu mnebi biaba nandi no ene familia iguri bagai family ni ponse na reta kiri yasoka yata banga ya ye na muna twa muna nzachinde mura bolingo musikira tararekana na bachi otonyora because ngagete family na kwenda ko bentanga ko break information almost ko terenedi I have experienced their case as omwana bo musabati keta ngina asirete akanyora ekasi ni ya post Facebook nga rest in peace auntie aga finte ko jago itero ne gali njera because family tra manyigo yonse bi oyaro igule bikuro ko muino mwanti yae oligire se Facebook nga rest in peace.
I think before ndara iraniliye kwirende iyo unataka comment issue ya a will. You know, I'm the neighbor to our brother Rose here. Na indeba gere so far we gera woniga go believe bara seke miracle.
Yeah.
So kuringana ne will it is very clear nga omwaka in system nga go ikaya atinde ku within 72 hours. So if they go against the will then automatically kuringana ne ke miracle something might happen. Na ende mbwa to kwegena sana se save mira biabo compared to us. You know okoranga gusi no ege mira gia sire. Lakini kero kugenda through and bado wanashikia hiyo maneno ya kimira sana. Iko ontagete gotebanga issue ya emitandao personally na one feeling the other day I was almost correct the group Johnson mana a media platforms because at the time sio kwenye message
very disturbing
eko disturb otebangiti personally enabo ka it was around 8 najira rukubuka rero immediately when naswa assessimi information breaking news wika you know. So yeah, better one before I even react so kora kende yonsi na decide ko akira my friends kumanyanga whatever keko ba pose ase mitandao nege tokererio gose ni maneno ya propaganda. Igorenda I also want to caution more especially bloggers because bako very fast ko pose information kero kende etaraba confirmed. Unaona what happened in the morning amana breaking news. Remember bana inche ba pose even serikali tara post.
Yeah.
So igorende nabonta gete go sabasana ase abalikia mangana mo especially media platforms ko bagorika
tugabatuare ando sensitive
tigumunta be sensitive nganinkia ko genda ko pose ya somtanda because it might change create a program. Another thing injina bonta gete bado go supporting kobeko mugako yo mojere for sometimes ngiriko adapt because bono lioli oisikuri senior people abange bariko gachu for long ni muda mfupi tu kwa muntu tindeko ebiasara byagenda oisikuri raira is a state officer. It means singa to isiko mubeka matuko yonzipi gemindi program jonzipi ya serikali echikotena. So a very good example nkwaro mo president wenso muskeruto bieka nako ni famu terineri chief functions jonzipi ya serikali for 7 days. Baro veria mangana yo muske raira igo meaning abai se go extend beyond amatukai ige minti function nyingi ya serikali chiko serikali at the same time unabono isoko gende sabagera baito mata ujagira mambi you surprise onyora na energy duka bono chiko yo sieko because batagete go sherekea kwa raira go ikera boni ga can tell you for free ogende bogera mate bono nse jibantu mbari bondo yons bona abantu bayire ni shere mpaka asubuhi mpaka matuka 72 hours yojere njenta gete ko agire so tebanga tiko ko mwaga ati mukebia ada ishogore nsemo ya no murayo Kenya na ende the beauty about ku kwaraira the fact neringa okorire na ndo tigire rigas maiga eyira egera inyorwe miaka yonsi tugusiriete rigandiri gocha kurwasa memories cia wananchi wangu.
Mwanchi muli ambao tumera ujumbe 0726447367 0726447367 ase ensemo ya SMS nabo igo ensemo elia WhatsApp nabo tokonyoranga nzachindenga yenkyo ngakio okwenyora omosike Raila Amolo Odinga useninki oranyaka bogo kwana igoro yomosike Raila Amolo Odinga omosike Nyamwaro na ngole ngino ya mobole ese amangana ya metandao sana nkira nyaka bogo kwana ile metandao na amangana yo komisiusi bwana mono ase okurari chimis fortune mune chiga karoje wapeni ndachinde kubwa mono turatigana no kurari turatigana yanturari ligale somonto amangana clickbait tata be monto kubeka tukoboka mabikwaboka kwa bera nyale bosirire watabanya lebo sekigi amabereire ebinto bibire disturbing chese chi family na ba mate ba bali bizachinde babwata bakomwe
ndate banga as generation yetu amakweli tali yokogosa mo ne generation ye number 2 amangana ya media normally ekero monta sirire bwekere ngubuneki many times iwo gosangia ngago ike president ekwane so mainstream media very limited by law and by constitution na bomo kumanya lakini moko beka the present generation in fact yego nyora information no ani mutaranyo and because ye chingaki nebiro twekire wasangia ayo manaro utageta reviews oyo ndenale utagete nganero tanga okoraki ko break ya mangana
atwala record yo gatabanga ninje na beto mutanga
record so those situations and circumstances chiagera amangana ya koraki aba no mheshimiwa te bana ninje even when we post sometimes ngokora do research ekiagera ntobwate egento gikoro kwanga the Communications Act and Information sometimes ntobwate egento gikoro kwanga defamation because insego de baleronga ototo kuli na ototo kale moyo akirwe simi na bongo bwatungire ngende koereza ngakina
ando kana damages chire
ye minute ninje nkubangirite bubi so many issues ichigocha akindende nale gotebanga ki ototo minto na abantu baitu bonse ento takire tutware egento gikuru kwanga media guidelines regulations igoro ya kubeka mangana aliyako gosa abantu however engira ne magega ogo kwa Raila Odinga watebanga okule many times
oitiru many times
bono narore clip Raila Odinga arenge gutara abegete chianga chinda buchenya gitari ne kuru
just a minute maite ono erinde monjanga nyatogendamo because tindaba understand
wali gotigara akora
just a minute
na kwere bagayo
timbaga
yona bora nyende ke gotige kobora
timbaga tigatie timu understand kim go discuss mwate berengo oitiru many times what do you mean
nakina tabanga ese mitandao ese mitandao cyber killing cyber killing
tosigete tali no anye no homogeneous begete almost ke the former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua akasoka isiko akateba Raila Amolo Odinga okoreki okure akateba nga onye Raila kore moyo soka isiko korwabu you clear the air ngangoreki moyo but you see when somebody is sick ndobwate instructions cia umunyagitari tagoteba ngaki agende gukwana statement ngonyo umunyagitari totake kero mondaru arete ari nyagitari ari under the care yo umunyagitari
because of course you are pressurizing him
igago kwa very serious instructions simitoli gubwata okugwa kichinza jinganiga ndagere tolikoli Raila had when you look at the history ya health ya Raila nabwate hypertension nabwate diabetes nabwate a kidney as they are writing nabwate kidney problem in fact kire chronic right ebintebi nabo bigo changia okubuka kuri kwa mambi all right ekera akowalk ekiagara yarenge saa 12 na nusu chia Kenya chire saa 3
cha India
chinsa chiria the body function main organs na bo sanginga chiakore kanire kero kendo mugaka ararite bono kagendrete amario gayo mugaka gotumia mono mario amarwire buna hypertension pressure mimanga diabetes amangana ayu amario gaya sometimes igande ngoira na araba toxic asomube no reto munyagitaria na bakogotebe so nabe konyarekana amario gaya abegetwe tacheti go push the blood system tacheti go flow well so ekarabo kagotara no bukendo buri kero kende bwagenda bwareta issue ne coronary problem yotware heart attack. So what we are saying is this: in many cases ekiagara konye babekeire muske Ruto. I want to be very clear. Nga kero kende nero koraki nero moita babekeire nga kero kende babanda bako banere gagenda state house ile koraki. So these issues sometimes the government nebo the security apparatus they sniff bategerera buya bayigwa nande nkuru bare reaction singa ngikibwendete okoro goodness akaro twarore clip a video clip Raila Amolo Odinga gotara then it confirmed to Kenyans nga Raila Odinga takwete kale moyare
in fact nanyome mataratara ikiri bukia gibege tukoro kya rwetende igoro aingoteria koragera bakoragera
so rende egento tware gote bankiringa ki amangana yo mutandao they are very good sometimes and they are very bad but also the government should not over-regulate because etokenga ebo mungu bego yarenge giga omuntu abeta beka ngaki karwa twakunto goko so it is important that there are certain parameters eserikali ebwendete kubeka ngaki objectivity warare aim nkitubwane mubwente kubeka amangana security amangana family amangana life ebintu binde mbakora mubeka lakini not authoritatively kwatebanga twasiekire we must filter what you post.
My concern will be where nkai public participation ya correct ya Computer Misuse Act goheta although I know it is an amendment to an act ya 2018 however still no kere amendment to an act neta kere public participation especially to the team chire online and the cyber killers online but kere participate there is a way they need to participate by one opportunity barua maoni yabo. A lot more could be happening. But the money I have sometimes. Finally, it could be against, but terminating a moja mopinge. But banjerusioro. A level of participation, I ask a question, you respond to the question. However, unsatisfactorily it will be. My opinion. Whatever the arrangement, those amendments with my considerations will say in your mind buna benadia tabira to teacher p na bokwa mwetenga again take deletion completely without any considerations na bego tuare subject ya discussion k1 which motuari nga encomect amendment but this is the reason na aba na baro birengere bya batero kanangere the other side yo finally omobero bwediga lungu tonya gotinde kwa unfortunately. And it has been an issue between the state and the family. Nakia machiko indicating gochia to insako nyoranga a state ya to a conflict because una ya Zambia they ko indicating a state a claim the late was a property of the state then never have it konyora this is state barrier a family ya gotebanga whoever or the state officer on the president here or the current successor mbalenge in good terms that one now brings in an issue between a individual head of state and state itself na kikere a bit of an issue but
it is not easy to separate between the two.
You cannot separate between the two because whoever exercises the authority over the powers or the initiate state nero yumotai wanaini barende perhaps the truth lelinga whoever was having a position here na hata keire state barrier which is very important.
Now the truth is bone gango sherekea tuli Raila kero muntu ngotebare nga Raila no muyorenge Raila na akorete Raila deserved this and Raila deserved that kianginyori amatanga yomo subati Winnie Mandela some years back kero omo American serikali ya South Africa omo ske Julius Malema Martinete agateba nga bali kunya bangete Winnie no balega bakorera kubwana ne family twaro kiesi nonga kitogodiri na bantu mnabo. Do you think bona iga ase omo ske Raila Amolo Odinga was he honored muna deserved
to some extent? Yes. Raila, I think in my alone understanding and looking onto history, he has lived his life.
Yeah.
Even siasa, even a family, even associations, there is nothing atara achieve. No nyego ko president chairman wa AUC. That one is an achievement.
Yeah.
You know, he was a worthy opponent to the current
up to the point about the weekend consensus.
Baka consensus. Paka no ene raga tebange ke baono na atigire. It is beyond.
Kali na abu ragina na atigire.
Na bana gwanchanga ndere go chumuinabo. Onse koligere Kenya. Raila tebenga no botaka ata eteko sirie karago be president tali motaka ora abeire bintebi nabwo ata maria onse kolige biashara he has also done business onse kolige associations up to the level at the global stage no one president in America we associated nere yani ne litu ata abete president but he exercised power and authority president at one point so lenda aga enjoy obogimobu in that political realm ekorokananga no nyeta ikara there are things he achieved. Even no keligere whatever that they achieve ekaro broad based ya chete whatever the blueprint ya ODM ya lenge ekibata kete achieve no na usinye uneko kwanure na binto binde Ruto and his government mbate meta na baroko twale bintebi so lende no eno mwananchi ataite ko Rwanda he never became the president but at one point he became the prime minister. Ekamwali bagaligia gosuguma a constitution ya 2010 egaeta oko Rwanda robo mwanya bantu boli freedom welinga mwanya bantanyole gose abananchi banyole freedom yo associate freedom yo gukora siasa na gukwana na bintu binde multi party democracy na bintu binde byonsi even at the pan-African stage na atenga the achieve so in one way or the other he is also celebrated no konyengo tabalenga Raila bono nere the father of devolution na bintu binde mbigenda nothing much ata achieved koko moliga buya na bakoranga konyoikire leba tabirenga again is not about me it is about you no ikara ko bolio president mono like in 2022 he decided akatabanga intagetaba na inji gozi njana bare ginkwereta intagetaba na inji banganchere batebenga imoroche mbuyambo ulibaka ida akamoleta kasarani I think akatebanga njana abamoleta ire ni numoko motebinga atene nego satike akatena akara atene terenda tachi etiko faulu nenda agasoka akatebanga egente kebunandigereti tigato unite aba broad based government ero kanenga omwana oli na ale ko Rwanda akanga konga supporting the president oya chorete Ruto be president yaye tigarende mo support achieve keligi atakera ko achieved
in fact as musika buga matuka wango igomo muraibu enso musika William Ruto nanyara ko baga ko na katabanga no nyira ire go chakobe mtu bingo karabona iga no yale go chakobanga Raila abete president na balenge go chakobikora eyo minutinga in one way or the other abantaba whatever babwata no babwata bobisa inawe bwage siasa karabale ko mnyakaniga siasa babwate some common interests echichaje kwa sokia kwa interest product government nande kurobutura ne three body rina nyara kwa ngo body tangani elio mo scale of state commendation then tulikia kwa neire Raila na eto maskani ali deserved gose inawe some corners ngorigirete balenga maybe we could have done more for Raila than he did for us.
Again, don't take it go you know broad base. Ya orogeti wasi owa matebwara ira na
Naruto.
Because oswa serikali naenda kaegu positions chini ne. Echia delegated ya bantu baego chiruran. Ego is an indication inga amaskani aliaga ne iriko one na etu. Two, as a program ya area bwatenga aiskobe president ebintu mbire aga ne irokora. among them namangana affordable housing because that was a program ya Rosette kuno Muskeraira of which naende it is doing very well because nonya banta bange bakonya go criticize o affordable housing injaga niri lakini immediate runa chiko jaga okora I can tell you nchije chikonya banta bange egendo kendere rongi karase ga uno mu MC omuntu ogerete rero nkarasa no Muskeraira because nero rwanire tamana a devolution ekere counties chikorosi ku 2013 that was a program ya renge ebirengere byo Muskeraira ekagera devolution egereja rero umwananchi wa kawaida akunyara goigero mu MC omwerese mijando because mijando unabone yekaraganga mari ose kare ari nyamatuta mwino ontagete we buliswa ngonye yari ko bangatari devolution yo mu MC yaro bo bagwa approach bamwereza kanga ningokwereso igo nabontagete ko tebe ngo Muskeraira okorrense mayi and for that reason o mine mbulinga maskani ali aganiri Onyairo oise kolire statement yo Muske Ruto o elia mekrero asogo teba ngo tenere chi program che serikali koroberio moroberi bo Muskeraira aina maskani ototo rero iganta ke tolimie birobu orore function ki serikali goteno chino muhimu sieti kandi mie birobu oro sichi function che county njitene hakuna siku iko that means
ward na wachitate nene
inki chiko tene because I'm a nobody ikonte de gote binga kero mondo na wate class kya Muskeraira a position yae na kiegara na nyana matuko agenda make rishi korio bagere you know mondo ngo kware ogenda even 2 months bagonya gusherekea lakini eke kiabe ngao and I want to respect your will yo Muskeraira na gotebanga tigatonye bwati erinde program yo Muskeraira togendere ata business che serikali igorenda maskani ali aganiri oise koligerera ira na Ruto every time Ruto akomeke statement yako mu address as my brother iyo ngonyo muntu nare gente giya kuna mono goetani onde bwenzi Ruto reason number 1 na gotenga siasa bono goigira boni una Raila asira ya change immediately even Ruto is not sure go sana jaga rujikura chabo gare chons because yo mugako oli kago tebanga left kero monta go left bono ningo goja kwana mangana igo everybody including the president naba affected no kuku Muskeraira igorende I don't want to discuss much about ukwarira lakini fact ne ringa maskani alia yaga ni hirikwa are serikali ya orokiringa
ya serikali ya ndio kabagoje so Muskeraira kolengana na bilia nyale kabagwa chief Bernard
na leko te baiga kwa bolia ututu mitunga Raila oirwa maskani Raila oirwa maskani kolengana na buna egereire Oburu Odinga no monena ze Raila Raila no mumrumu abo kabiri bakubwatana lakini rende kero kuligireria Raila akaira chinguru cheise ndendo matu mwandu unogocha kwae bwebite kwa bwati bwebirandi Raila bwerwanereire wetera ase okogenda muturi tangani na korokia oboremu asoko rwanerera abakenya nambe yemo respect amaskani Raila Amolo Odinga airwe ne serikali ya Kenya rororo it's political respect eyo the incumbent government etagete koro kiansengi manga mugakoyo ntumusigeti egerero sienchera ya 2027 Raila na William Ruto mbale ngamo in 2005 ekarokia referendum
no vale ngamo 2005 no vale ngamo 2010 batale ngamo
later
2010 batale ngamo ya
2010 mbale ngamo ekero Raila Amolo Odinga akobwa chikura chia 2007 Ruto no vale ngamo was in the forefront to fight that Raila becomes the president. Igo ekero twatwara the GNZ pricing bagende street Ruto nkarenge kogenda, and that is the plain truth. Ruto nkarenge kogenda ekera abamuraba imoka bakagenda street bakagenda gusalia the National Assembly ebintu
abamurana abaiseke
kera bagenda abasai yantebe abasai kera abasai bakorege ntukirie omuntu kunetu mono in that hour of need umusike president yetu ya Okoro kwa Ruto ngote nenete akareta omurembe na maskani umusike Raila Amolo Odinga ngonya Raila batabuatanete na Ruto. He could not be the president today because Raila agarenge ko bane GNC na ande no manyete na bwato moika bua abantu moika
liosa
arenge ko musaigalima akuri. Raila kept silent
and Raila ngomutani akora no okoranga na ande maga GNC kanga bindene ngabire
egento keria korete agakira akabwate nkoro akaremereria ekagera GNC bagateba baba is a traitor. But you know naba Kenya bande analysts, political analysts na bantu tukuligireria ibintu na batokoranga egente ko mugako yakoraro ense yakure angana bati nana abana aba erinde turi kave ense yetu. Lakini ogokire kwa Raila Amolo Odinga at that point when Kenya shook egakonya William Ruto kobo office rero. So the thing
and nawe gakonya nense tari
nande gakonya nense
because we cannot imagine ngangi kiale go chakoba.
So asengenche yo ekikiale go chakoba kero gineke ngao. That is the truth. Na whatever ngaki baba tebenga nonde magega bas kosena atanga ndire motua mbwati bas because Baba is Baba, he was Baba, and what Baba said was final. So what he said akero ya GNC pricing iga kirete ekina kia tebete agakira gokonya serikali because I think omuga ko na rigirete in 2007 what happened agateba ya abana baba achire lakini bagocha with what we call a mindset instigations kwa euphoria gete babwatanga na babakuga bakogamba lakini mbakogamba agatenna na Ruto. That alone makes William Ruto kobekera babe security ekerago gandaralia akogenda ngumbu ekiagere statement yakotebanga baba was jogging in the morning ekerago jog igarengene aid yaye amona abasigari beserikali a personal koyegwa abasigari beserikali even during at that hour of need arwarete atalikwenyara and then you will ask yourself a relationship yaye with the government nakiri so baba oiru kerege
tatagete was determined to protect
na baba oiru kerege tatagete
nyimo taraja denisi na rumo ntoya manalika so mutanda Facebook kotebanga Raila nigale goteba onyega goteba left twagenda left goteba right twanda right goteba champ twa we champ one now that he has died what do we do
Miyamano Toto truth be told even the best dancer should know the best time Mata Kirego Oliver stage. I think Raila being the best politician, an orator, and an encyclopedia in history, he knew his last days kwenye jiabere rang, kwenye wanzi prepare na we prepare. Much as it abuna tuwa leko moligerelia nga kitoko move wherever na binto binto okoranga konya omwelekeo geto ikire. Nginyole maegaiga na atebanga ekaramo ko sifuna gukwana na bantu bande bale in the party organs a unit statement yekoruase a chama it should be respected gento tale ko igumaega ke gukwanugo Nyorenga kinere ababu na mwamba Joho and other people bachete na ODM reloaded eti mugete ya daigete go take over the leadership at one point I think they threatened territory Raila got threatened. The invasion of men in black. Then something happened, men in black bagacha. I think they salvaged the situation out of hand. Perhaps that time Baba appeared omonto go toma signals gakirete igo moko gendra okore genteki gago kwana igegentekio orule mwelekeo nga tali na gento bunekio. What am I saying? Baba konya chinga kichi aje ikire left yaye kose right yaye yabeire delegated to someone else konya oikire oansire konya go pinpointing yes nyarebe na bago koreke nyarebe na bago kwaneke ekaromo gwote Sifuna hiyo ni sauti ya chama si mimi si chama peke yangu abantu mbaro konya prepare bago chako take over the leadership so eyue komajikorokananga konya buyanda ire chinguru chiria tualete konya chiekire limit gete atanya gotokonya no esa major meetings chia majire korokana chia reko korwa nchira igeta go tebang echine na bango delegate montogete unabone yalenga ODM at 20 I think he sent some representation abantu gete konya baranchira korokananga na bano bago chako take over the party leadership and in one way or the other in some serious meetings I remember Matanga Nara Lenga Adalmas Otieno he sent a brother yae Oburu Odinga delegation yeye konya yaikire bono in preparation inga abantu bande should be able to begin now giving orders no to move right ngakitoko move right no to jump high au high to jump so the people bakorwa instructions konya ba change ria bangao na hende kyo okoranga raida konyoro renge miaka ya yachire truth be told oboiko bwense ntoro watwenzi nelinga tutakere tu accepting at some age na beta kero ansa we prepare we exit esin maybe abe ya siasa ebe ne kero kiendo bwate na beta keire kwaranga gochiaba no retirement age na kibe keire even from the civil service kwanza go prepare na go plan the best way you move out otherwise go chimotua you get frustrated okonya no na banta basini no siasa yoko boli mochimo wasino bo MCA wasino bo jumbe na bakonyora no ene joka ekoboli chikura ngorayo ekorusio amasikani yale watakire ko tuwa sokena oro kanenga achire
yani exit dishonorably
toto nabuga nganga kwabolia omo MCA ito mheshimiwa tusigete kurugusero nganya boli what next for ODM ekyagera echameyo buna oyo minda kwandre ekero Raila aw exit the stage
ngoja tarabu Bernard ngoja tarabu inafio egenda nataka tande unfinished business ya Raila latest was lately egenda bereka ukwana ngelinga omo iganja kia ni CDF keruzi wesaba jumbe I think that was the last mission ya atiketeke ranking what next uzaka bana no moske avuga because ngolengi inawi ntiate MCS forum bagikaranza bagatanga na barabu aba MC na baramba tagerwa nyara kagancha ke kabo muna abande babugate abasenata bairu senate oversight fund abagumandre babugate ngafu abajumbe babugate ni CDF but all of this Raila na abadorekana kale plangiri agotebanga nche kanje kerusuga samako yabachumbe
komenda nayo the major beneficiaries pa CDF wekereko rusu orange CDF wekereko rusu county assemblies na county governments
yamaskabo
ekinta getego tebali tangani na tebanga muske Raila enero ruanrete program ya devolution and mapi paka the latest message arusia somonwe nelinga issue deal with the CDF funds as counties. Commander nayo obeire kago turwana tutuare what we call financial autonomy as unaba MC because we kiralero I can tell you for free murali injono mo MC we wodi ya busero chibe sanko manage choka nchiringo ya gumusara
yeah that one intora we
around 30,000 echichoka na jingo manage go move around na chirochi and maybe that
chaba chinke mo gambi
you might not understand
na bwate cha enga commentary ni start
omugano yo maite serikali ego kogokinga yako ire about 300,000 as a pay slip lakini ande ya cut off chance because
bagwana ko kuliba ira noko
total earning around 290 something wachaga deductions kwa magonyo ansa aliba ko total deductions 268 wakuminga bono what is happened
abokoli
bono kwatigara korigireti nsari chibeso origireti nsari etoto gwakuminga chinga kinkoeresa
kingo chibanga bagachikora emirimo
igo ntaete goteba iga onare gori kwesinga now this senior leaders bagocha go take charge because one muskeraira tayo nare gosaba nga basume gentege because chibese chise koira na counties in fact umwananchi kawaida paka chimoikere besa chinde chonse chikobangeru Nairobi tengo tene jingo abajumbe na abaito na ndento bari ko ba criticize in many days unanje ono kunya gusuma na tori no mujumbo ne tari ngo musuma ngane bitina mbwate gosono ko jumbe ntagete but is only that I feel ngebintu mbiri ko ikera mwananchi unega niri nande nantu abaraito takwane tio ndeta yo kwana igonta ete gusaba nge kerengere ligo exercise yekigaraira konyora cha kiriko gusuma amangana ichibesa cha CDF buchira ne counties inchena argoje gusaba ngo muske president agefuatiri erinde nere akikishe ngo ikiranirie kirenga kirikyo mubuske bera irabwata erinde benga neri gasinga ruto na igwerete kirenga kiaraira nande ikirande ekirikira ikegaiga I want to believe ngana no mugusero uri ukare mate gari because rero iganta ite ko deving eto kinga 100 million ejirement for mugusero ono lyo mundu na mbori swali ngankie pale tarabera nabongo nyara ko iranira lakini mbori swali ngie pale tarabera ki ngomane jitadi 1000 then bono lyo abu mojando noro
yegenda granga tendo ke kwandeta few days
contribution ya nenda letenga why asekio bwoba bobere to CDF NGCDF korusi kwa sera saba jumbe emanya kole tu ase chi county it is because of the insincerity enchera ebinto biko korwa at the county level where omogaba nabegete CMC chionse bimubuko omanya kwanza koba amatori eli busarasini buna mheshimiwa atebire eyabe bit unfortunate but I'm happy autonomy ya inonero bono mobugate you are on funds chikorwa
assembly
national treasury straight to your assembly chiko bakonya gukora oversight
chiko era within the assembly actually
chiko sasa makoya ba MCA
chiri mangana development
actually assemblies motagaire mo develop ugende gyonse motagaire mokore oversight yo motagaire
obolia bagaho na maboli
moko guchinguru asengenje kaba nemanya nko na mole ko mobolia maboli igago na je budget ya inu nenda anze ko diri na inu individually eyibone etaba konja na kimoko ruge ntoke ino straight look at the way National Assembly and Senate igebo at the power na resources money follows functions okowa a role a function yo ko oversight yo governor tobu ati resources tobu ati beso ko gendere ground como oversight or project na binto binde bona erega asien kon kwanyoranga once go spend even your own salary which is a bit unfortunate one on agenda ground the ward representative the ward administrator igago ko minyoki ko weke nyoro asenga to bwa resources igabane bwa resources ne de manyete ko oversight yole yabe gasien kon my opinion ya alenga oversight ye mo gokora at the county assembly level ebe so clear nende ebe so well done structure zero enjira mo gokora oversight na liyo resources ye chiraro kana chigo che county government chigo kolega asibe realize machinani lakini mo kogenda buna naiwa abando moreche contractor abande you've gone into bed with the governor roli mo kenyara you need to side with your fellow MCAs bali bakorwana ngana oversight bataete representation batagete na bintu binde you can do it better lakini mo konyoranga you can easily be divided bakeba ino mo korangere mongo liko chumuina abuna yole chama yo mogaba nale egaba yako rangere bonne chama ya motole injungo ategara go chamuino we the moment mo wancha mo be divided rolio the need yo collector resources ye kiti keno ke bakonya mo koro oversight keliko it negates the purpose yo ko ewa that kit finally
then abwese mangana yo ko bagano se kolike otegere biama then what will happen with the loyalty to the party go say go to the line of the party position ye party
at the national level ntobwate senate e koba a replica of what is happening at the county assembly. A county assembly igeta keire when it means to oversight. you create that dichotomy, a difference here oping and oversight itole. No genda court and yonsio irunga kwa loyalty abe na bintu binde abutokuruhusu kwaro because gokorwanira obo mahene bwaho it works well for you. Lakini yo ikenga okwenda loyalty moino ku abdicate your duty oversight representation na legislate, I think you miss the point. So the best you can do as MCS, stick to your own work. Because I know there are favors here gabanera atake koba rutera matoli na bintu binde momi is a point. But take an example, I can mogo etia bills chiaba chi act at the county level chiko konya no mogo etia machiko ako lete governor na some county executive committee members into serious oversight. Mwaba kora oversight, mwaba kora accountability well structured na beko bega asingia. However, if and this one has been the problem, if most of the MCS, I'm not referring to you as an individual here, but most of the MCS bako genda basic favors bae wachitenda or an extension of a trip egaba nekareka ko genda go sena America go sen China go se wherever mama gotoka no mole bune apenda jiyo mogabana onya ko baira ali mwanyora chipadie na bintu binde, you know, you miss the point. Ekiti kana gigia cherete ke bakonye moina mokoroba sai chenja finally nyamwaro you will now get some laws chibakonye choko introduce a replica of NGCDF but at the county level moko waka kiti kaino kakwa ba managed na ino more oversight more like patrons so that chiba sechirie unequal ye chiba sechirie member of parliament yakonyora from NGCDF ochiewe. Some of them on average they are getting 170 million most constituencies. Onse konyora 170 million, of course ye accounting law. Onse konyora on average chi ward chino ense ko uno 50 to 60 million. Ejio mojimo ando chenga na bajira ko konya sana.
Njipaka mtotata
tuta munaboko
ba 170 million chize ko bagano ase chi ward muna bana bonchali wa chi ward inye njipaka no chi ward inye chibega ko 50 40 na bado jiko
45 million na bajiko ko konya na boko ko.
Yeah. Ototo, this was my thought. It was twagenda out of the topic.
No topic ya acha kurwese issue
eregiga my brother went to discuss. ODM is the official opposition political party in the country. We could be discussing nga akero mwaka Raila Amolo Odinga ararire ebinde bia ya bwendete wikirani mbire biebi. So this is my feeling. Ukinekerengera kiana.
Kora kwanda yore NGCDF. Ya kora naroche kerengera kiao keteke kora ya management ya bunge. One of the constituencies.
Egonda teko bwate sio mwana minto in a nutshell. Aso bwenge kiagara chinga kicha butukire. Enda teko kwanera alinganeria so bwenge na kubwate sio mwana minto HSC. Ekatibeye Raila Amolo Odinga aletete. Asugumete mbaki kaleta ugatuzi. Ega create a position yo mo MCA, ega create mo women rep, ega create mo senator. Ejine ji position choka chia cheta. Omo jumbo beiro kortu akanyore to possible. In 1963 to date. No more rais. Bagenda barosi executive, barosi bachora chi cabinet, babeka waziri barosi shirika lyabo liko kwa the government of Kenya. Lakini Raila Amolo Odinga akaranga mbuya chibase chikonya gochiese rugora chikuliewo omo MCA ko beransa ali na bakomoreka chibase chigo cha so muntu kuruko mugavana. You is another position you have created. Amangana ye katiba ya Kenya igere very clear, plain and truth. Teta getingo gende kurende oyewe taito abune yo mwana minto omanya ko manyanga kurende katiba yumbu yere. Katiba is very plain. Toita to beze guita. To mana. That the repository responsibility yo mondo korokwa omo bunge or National Assembly. Oversight, legislation and representation. Ebintu bitoto bioka. Asete yo akoye wachiko koremere. So korengana na Raila Amolo Odinga. Chibase chini chikwande kurusugo, chibasa ris chirusugo chibeko inline ministries wanyine basari yagende chibasi chigande ministry education but however asengencho abantu bakoro kwa ba MCA buno mwana minto iwale a replica ya the senators egazi yaboner oversight bae guchibese chia oversight bago tumeka kominyoka korigere ringa e paranja rosetigwe orojero lindwa rosetigwe standardization inja koletwe quality products inja bete delivered to ECD schools warari mbata kire bae that oversight fund just as mondo korokwa seneta koyo so amangana NHCDF inje kwanyana bwatanire no mondo korokwa Raila Amolo Odinga erusi wororo ebe kutu the ministries mwani ya roads chibasi chiba gunke chigendo mwani education chibasi chigendo tutige bintebinga omugaba na bwate basari omo jumba katwale basari president katwale basari ministry katwale basari CNC katwale basari ebintebi birusi wororo that is why to a conflict of interest asaba MCA asengenje yaki chibase bakwa within shilling 1030 we spend 1000 shillings every day kano mo MCA obwate wodi bwata bantu chiri we combination wodi bune yabo songo ge bwate up to 30,000 voters so what is it compromises the position of your MCA so again to get korunga ratification go say amendment we've had amendments of the constitution every time and again ono raira igona lego tebanga NGCDF erotigara agenda that I've answered that question number 2 ODM kere nero official opposition party in the country Ntuata kere to a direction yobwango how the leadership ego chikoba
abo nagani musika abugabu mutangani corresponding gore ye kwende bio na point to chiko kwa
ne litunya mwarata banga Raila hakuna ugatuzi na roho ugatuzi nyati kana
musika abuga ase ikiamagia ODM karo kwa structure ODM bona iga the fact that almost Peter Anyangi Nyong'o Professor mugavana bwe county ya Kisumu na ero musikira Raila Amolo Odinga achorete buna omora intendeda bwe kiameke chiga kyanganda oligie korogo chinsemo cha Ethiopia kya AUC abakonyi babara ibe kiameke ni kobale Abdulswamad Sharif Nasir mugavana bwe county ya Mombasa Godfrey Ososi mugavana bwe omusenta bwe county ya Vihiga Paul Simbarati omugavana bwe county ya Kisii na boigo Edwin Sifuna no arabu muna omoliki bwe kiamekyo gose secretary general komenda bwese karogolirse party ya kiame gose oboteni bwe kiamekega omugavana bwe county ya Omapemo Gladys Wanga no arabu na boigo omochairman bwe kiama korwa se county ya Nairobi Musike Chochi Aradwa ngo inyabale kota mathematical structure ODM kalakata banga chairman ya capital city ya Nairobi na bakaba among the ranking gose ranking members be kiama future yekia mekega ngayire nande what do you expect on going forward
nataka nkoborori sware ndo yane da city mini mwaka wo muchegere kwa program cyo muchechi gotena
nane nyomba ngora tagurujira sande
so nataka ko yuringa now that Raila is dead now what abakonyi bae and I'm happy that you have mentioned them yochi program chons picha opposition oikachiga endere kama kawaida that is why the Gladys Wanga is there that is why Muske Simbarati haro that is why Sifuna baro na mande kige kinataka confirm immediately after amatanga ya Muske Raila ayarire we will sit down as a party we agree on structures nga kibinte bigo jaga kufuatiriwa erinde toikirani ekirenga gerige Muske Raila abwata igo one Abunta get as a person is only the Chinguruja Nigeria Chico at the ward level say county ya Kisii. And I want to get the request you never told our bosses now the Funa Navandeva Simbarati but then Nefam because now deputy chepati.
Yeah.
But make sure a program where Muskera water ya ikirand. Ekirenda geteko kunarega ntogete rinde ndaramise point aba point nera iganata ko iraniriye igabareta amana ntuarete tumuswada huko request tutware what we call reward development fund as a chiward chito of which aba chumba abaigana onyemo kunyakolera you know majikonzi pia goite wa the National Assembly again tegegere twage yete na bangite ko sign e bill because mbamanye tenga the moment bago twajibesa toje ku manage at ward level ngo jitoro ko twara chinguru toba utishine
yes wards level chitese kwe bunge
igo bono bakamanyanga nonye ne basari bago ichabana na in fact ne reko gara bago nyawe yake ko baise ko urobi beza biri ige mini dingo mujumbe tariko chutware kyagora
na bataje kusi angobera Nairobi
at the same time tago twara beza jogora bago myogera around ga you know I've witnessed around 2-3 occasions mujumba go joja goigora HO ya 1 million abwata chigari wetani 6 chibegira mafuta all the way from Nairobi mpaka kusinga ne cho ago cha ko launch asibete kapise paruni ago butora neri gas
mpaka le gas rigorire
HO ego kose 800,000 ono riswari lya mayagoro lya banga chibese chatumia Jones pi ngaijaro kwa munyagoro gwanyora error yo mu MCA it is very clear error number 1 in oversight lakini wono go koro oversight utabwa tichibesa cyo ko enembo ko move around because ebese ye kwa save ro aso musara around 30,000 ne ko enebo beke gali amafuto myoko chiko repare was because a very good example I'm the vice chairman roads woni aningi mokengende chiko repare masimba ndabwa at means cyo iko automatically no because ntobu atikiti toko manage uno mwamse yona aro sabanga a program we now that we are the opposition party ne bwene taba na baito bato sumere rinde 90 ne banga tarinche ngaro after 2027 mwamse yo ndibwenzi ora toko ne ratu are chinguru satu ara maskani uno mwamse at least yabwata chibesa ike samwe uranyara gotenna okwane no n'abantu baito manyete batu arena turiko gendo tenne saba na inchi kubakwanira mwana yo muno mbamanye tenga at the end of the discussion como jumbe rende ngatuono gwatu tiga
ibara tanga to twale ngite muguko
tokwanire you know mangana yonsi pyo ko baereza edega yo mwali yako ba useless engana ni bata ide ko yo mwali before taragoreki tarageda igonda identigira abura kine at the end of the discussion nitake nganjire for around 5 minutes nkwanira mangana security yabo gusero because is very important
absolutely
odoto nale goteba iyo
na egwacha kama mangana ya ODM mubwatiri ODM kwanya kabere so dikema ODM
na apply membership
that's why the interest here
one member ya ODM I did an application kwanya IBC taraso na tagiti kunganya because of the following reasons tuatua rege nduye koro kwanga Raila Odinga kurwanerera NCA itu ya Kenya na Africa as a whole but unfortunately ntobwate pitfalls ntobwate obule merubo kebwaro lekana Raila mugala muwe na haki mpe ngira ne topic yentanga ni tuacha kirite igoro ya Raila na arolekana ulikire wiri yaye kwaena n'abantu babo ebintu byabo that was very unfortunate it was very sad Kisii County Nyamira County njabete omostari omotwe ase okobwata Raila buna tato mwabo o kisiasa okiro ntuntu abwate tu 2017 nejisubaru korwa tukarutuima sengenji ya Raila that does not mean anything ekinare gukwana niki ekero yekerete gocho mwario Raila Amolo Odinga na atiga gusisiko akarwa mabaga wochiase Hassan Jo Mombasa akao paranya ochika Kamega aka omondo korokwa Junet Mohamed omumuro okurukumbati akamwekerwa kamotigie kerogo kyo jumbe ari nominated akamwekerwa aka no Opiyo Wandayi Opiyo Wandayi akagenda mutwe akamana kwa guchibese chia like chia energy akabugori 5.6 billion akaira so mbaka na no mugaba no Kisii agatene na Kisumu agateba mwenyore Kisii Nyanzeri no mwari o Kisii o Nyanza igore so tigirogo that was very unfortunate ebintu biria ODM yakora because ekara de banga oko mugambia de banga kogo soka kurunyomba ko bangole ngaya moisio menene na yo tindege ntegose ayo mongina nda to tinde binde bibi kole karega Raila Odinga also failed a greater majority of the citizens at the point when he needed they needed him ba muganeti ngabana ugatuzi yali watebetenga chibastiga chisiale kana uchikenya ngekero montazi yali amanyinga akaimo kiritanga ni ebirogo akabantu baye oise kwake sabu yechibese chiachire uchisobo mwanya ne wili yu alikuli kama nyetenga nko gendale is over 400 billion within this short span ya gendokiek ya abete as a broad based government ekingi go tworki egego tworkinga okorwo kwa Raila Amolo Odinga ase chama nogo timoka kwa ekorwa sobo ikobwense echama yeteligo chikokonya omo Kenya and that is why ngotebaiga without fear of contradiction ngaki abo kongumboro ase chama ya ODM which represent their position buna a official opposition party in the country igo finally ngoteba ngaki omoshimiwa na igo moshimiwa na teba ngaki ngochiare gotema gosina ikere a position ne level ya Raila igo nkomosabera mono inga omoburukano ODM chakira Gladys Wanga agabe kukobokoga na Raila Amolo Odinga bakamanya kuimokia ticket baka omwana onyagozira Boyd Were akero kurigere no ene ngencho ebiyame bi ekiyama kya ODM gekoba gebinto byabo nkebwate biased representation within the party first na nde ya kamere mbanje techibes onege ntona ichani den kumetinek in 2017 in 2022 akero tuwarenge gukora chikura no manyetenga no eno mugabana na ategererete and history will haunt me omugabana Simbarati karago chikuoya eticket ya ODM buno mugabana okisi eya boleti it forced Raila Amolo Odinga on that Thursday chinsa isano nemo ali nendege ku Mombasa achache kubolinga inki abantu bakwogera omosike Paul Simbarati ataliko yugenduke echama yae so the wrangles in ODM in fact enate banga Raila Odinga sirire na ugatuzi ya sirire first the likes of Junet Mohammed
ugatuzi aromba kanetera asira
the likes of
in his own context
in my own context understanding and analysis because the person who was fighting for ugatuzi tayo abantu ababaroro ligeria omumurogoro kwa nganere Embakasi Babu Owino he is nowhere near the party that he fought for when he was even the university tai andons every time akoba secretary and boni ganere okorekana ule taya ase kiama kia ODM so injenari go sabanga bali mu atigeira ase kiama kia ODM guziara ntu abeka ngankia era tali boni ga kiara te kale igonari go sabanga ODM buna ya sote broad based government eba jagete gotianera montonde bwenzi go pinga serikali they realizing na buboka bakumwante kuboria ngikirikia na bamenyete ngiyeko bagu ngokoyegwa ngokoretwe mesa igo
muri head of state recommendation
biamono
na kiama gia ODM
biamono
abila nyamwaro yale passionate sana ne kiama
bina live member of ODM tinda manyandingo chakasoka but I intend to however there's been some clamor for change in the party ya berega koba for quite some time ngoma chiole koranga a change nere takeire chi ODM lakini ndio batabanga Raila okale stumbling block bono now that Raila has exited let's have some hope that ebi ntombi change nende ebi konya tolo chenga mbiri buya now the party organs can sit and agree the best way out nda kwa agreeing discrimination ya berega koba no any team where ODM koru these parts of the other side koru Kisi na Nyamira ya machiri korangananga upendeleo wanja machikoba the other side tima eti why but ndobwada our leaders at the level at the apex level ya party bata keire bacha batoche bingi agerete paka toka short changed if we were in the understanding ya balibaro na bora nyanga we were never short changed could be and I want to take it as an assumption that party leadership weli abagetunga a deputy party leader could be nare you share to what the other position here no treasurer nyamire bwate a treasurer ya ODM Musiketi Motivosire at the level ya national level nende ne chamoro mo treasurer could be nero ne kekirende a party ya shared koko che party deputy party leader Kisii County Governor, Nare Deputy Party Leader, is a serious position in the party top echelons. Party. No, nye vina vende viro. Tikatote vunga. Intoraba discriminated Mheshimiwa Korumo Bogusero because intore within the rank and the file of the party Koroku ODM, a treasurer nero, igor wenyi ndoro because political parties fund nero. Igeba senere, our brother from Nyamira, our control. A deputy party leader ngo ikaranzale virtually all meetings chikoro kananga che party nchiro iholende no nye representation ya roro na hotoko majiko debanga Raila na temete but on the other side na bako nyanga positions chinde maybe ebo minister principal secretary zamintomine ntonyoreti na aba bande ngo claim balenga wono le no mo bwate those positions na into ntobu ati tikatora atebanga kitowo equalize fan large a problem nero but moving forward, ODM now neta keire again debe restructure buya nende nonye rumunere yatakeire yokoyana people like Babu Wino okoramba abuate reservations inga ga kogenda mono Raila nabara mo won ga kogende nchirata gete kuira nabara nyore a bit of discipline na by the way he has also been yearning to be a chair of a position in the National Assembly tanya konyo I'm aware no any party leadership wotemire kobagento kende could be young in experience ata bwati geisa ine oikira bona bora nyore now that muzee has exited na bora nyore experience geisa na binto bindembi boro ntonya ko blame bantu mono when the answers to our questions right on the table ya ODM top echelons mheshimiwa koro mona ODM maswali another geronya boli abande bali live members nto toko kanyaba moro moko make decisions nkimwa make decision kimwa make finally when Simba and other people Korugusi region, including MCS, muajire mo kogenda broad-based na binto binde. Abono broad-based raida abairete. Inki no muarode ki yakaro mutaraleta gusi because you are complaining chirami chiajira elsewhere na binto binde biajira elsewhere. No anya muareko oba short change dinga gira ira alengo. Kambo no raida takayo mutaiko chakaba short change.
So tunataka ko respond point yo mwelio. I think tuare ngor mutinyi torara.
Yeah.
And according to the government structures, a budget you might never change regulars. You can't change a budget katika vira. And I think tomorrow unaona ntuntu wate supplementary, and the reason why tuare te supplementary is no comment. Kero kende bintu biribiaga ni unaona maana e basari. Sometimes back information yeah so getting a bursary nchio but funds charakane so tutagete koketa for amane bursary higo request tu abegete at the state house nindoche egende ki opponents bakirire sana lakini ebintu bya serikali temine tingonye kwagenda wake boli rero goke gumambi because we ke budget yakorwe of which you are assured in a budget and once they go discuss as a National Assembly. We still we are waiting. But I'm happy that among 72 requests on Park Street, already the engineer were here some two weeks ago. Bagenda bagakora survey yabo bagagenda ne report. Among the 72 requests tunaona daraja mbili market actually process inege the Nyambera already the contractor is on site igo onde gedo danga ndoji this state was koragara gente getangan na ande una njabuga ntu ajide state house we were given bono gaki ekirwa chira sora egwecha yako batu
moragere tikoragera woka lakini moragere
tu tukende unaona I want to confirm because injinu murai ekirena regane state house yabante kirengwe na bona ngombolo waki ngikwa state house I want to confirm na 200,000 100,000 nchi ko garanga bono chiche njobu mabwana nje unabo because I can manage 100,000 by myself ige kinta gete ko teba ngere ki chirami of course advert inja so gete ko indicate very clear nga chirami chene to some constituencies more especially chi constituency chiri chibwate bajumbe ba UDA ne yabere nga ne naro almost every time ongoranga ji project this relevant projects ichiko enda saba jumbe bali bago support serikali igonde tote almost kera nata gete mo criticize because already okule ono lakini nabonta gete gote banga asense mo ya development erota chiti gotonyora uno mugusi poti nyamira ndekisi na asense mo ya amana employment because amana unabona irami kanga nero to konyete asugume unabona wana ODM abaye the likes of Muske Anthony Kibagendi because na yaro mondo yo bero mondo boko sana kanga bono na basugumirite na embara baye era even 20 kilometers but it's very unfortunate thing kilometer jikomento chikose UNC jiri already chipara chigandred
nami yana ne restore chikoru chiboko chinyagesa mwanye kwanderete
igorende enja kwanetwe na yarenga mangi the discussion igere tu arenge state house igona bonta etagote banga virtual society I want to hope ngoigwerare na ende aikirani again dokende nata kugwana because na bondo chinga chiza chiro chichi achire if you allow me ngwanira mangana security kidogo
isano wasaba isano lakini abo ngo kwande chisaine egenda nataka to kwande kyo manyuma totenda byu amangana ya security abo gusero repercussions yogo kukwaraira as the political scene ya Kenya. For example, pro-democratic government you are free ko je kwanda njede doesn't onyero from where you sit. The fate of the government, the fate of pro-democratic government. That is the fate of Ruto, the fate of pro-democratic government.
I'm seeing there are wins and losses here. One, Ruto will have an express control over ODM. Currently, their ministers Baralia, Katesi, Raila. Bona bara by mukyo motu goro mono
because nabogo to mukanse
nabogo to munka nabo you can easily be replaced. Number two, I want to believe before 2027 Raila nabale ko chako demand ya ganto iganonya no running mate or something tindo che possibility yo monto go chako saba such a position. So Ruto may have a due advantage again beyond 2027, I maintain the ministers balira ira moeta. If he replaces, aba replace, but I maintain balia ebenga omukata bolino olinga moleime Raila obangete tindiko batukuta. If their position tichigo tikuwa chiko vacant, maybe balibago chiko boli biroko binde bagender. So nabara atuare that advantage. Number two, on the low side, he may lose control ya some members, a political bargain neralia, alego chakonyora. Not entirely, but enambanere ta maintain ko banere towards 2027 abande mbale bata stick nere paka 2027. Lakini nje ko renchera akebangete in a way abantu mbale bakuna kunire bale critical bayinse ko to go sokanga ngo tamabale na bara moe a window ko replace abantu bande. So broad based is going to stay from the look of things. Ne linda arolenga which antineta kekobo there could be centers of power chigo chago coalesce around especially the teams chia soet ODM I mean ODM I mean ministers bali ba soeto among them bali ba go chago ranga barona banene barake batake korogananga na ba ko machiko control the other ministers. You could be a power struggle era rokane go chimoto. I think moving forward in terms of leadership naboko machiko ranga there could be a struggle yoko nyora ngora kwane kwa niaba ya chama and that leadership ngogo cha kwana more or less buna Raila korue chama ora sabekende na binto binda rabwati including projects na binto binda bialenge on pipeline
muskabuga kinarengo teba broad based muskeraira enani Ruto oikate mekonye maintain sana for the benefit yoko bari elected in 2027 because we get boniga nabukwanjira na injenga Raila obeire go take control ya Ruo Nyanza na inde abantu abamata o maine bwa Kristo mbulinga kumuyigwira bari osize kuligino amanda manaya bagatiga iga abantu bali bange mbarenge bagere because tarira iro kwanete igo nabonda yedo tanga muskeruta izo gara magoso yo chaka discipline abara ibalia eto no muskereira automatically go chaka lose ground from Ruo Nyanza nche to me enare go chaka tebanga now that we kirawoni egere turigeti siasa ya uchimutua siasa ya change almost immediately lero na
Raila
kigero kino nyeruto ika very keen arolenga from now onwards mondo kiago jigutumia from Ruo Nyanza rabe spokesman ose whoever anyara go select ko ne kero kurige una bono oise kurige Bapo Wino oise kurige Gladys Wanga and then ntuwate mugabano sia muske Orengo nero goranga operate nero again required meaning nga bono tari go chigo strong because nero goranga obotuwa mwikere bono ne bansia se tari go chigo nyebeka ya imemono onyangnyong ero monyene for health conditions ziteko mwalao abe spokesman yomogere igona bonta yetego tebango mujando noro of which broad base yero iganye maintain mpaka chikura chere unless there is somebody that yetego exit yerebieka agenda chikurigia chikura.
Bernard, broad based
the government of the day litangani iyo kora serikali nebo the systems na structures litangani yo kore bintu. I want to refer again to gitege sinini serikali wa the system ye budget mheshimiwa mwagenda Nairobi mwanyora thank you, but it is unfortunate nga inwa baheshimiwa bakisi moko genda Nairobi muliko nyara go command both Moro DM na abandi bali kurwa sebya mabinde byo morengo uyu support president kare president ya chete matega akalete project budget njali ngoro akabeka Son Koru Dam akabeka Kabonyo Kanyawal Fisheries akabeka Air Agriculture and Training Center akabeka Kwerende 63 km road akabeka Kisumu Boys roundabout akabeka Mamboleo Road akabeka Ahero interchange akabeka Kimira Ulwach smallholder farm akagenda akabeka got Ramog egetunukeria that forest akayebeka into the national status ye museum akakore bintu. There was no budget. What we have in this country emwaire tuaria amogambi mheshimiwa oisane kiunga nenu na omole broad based because if the president ojire kisiga epareye kweyeria abantu ga korukisi daraja moja mpaka Sotiki emechange erepara ekogoto for the last 2 years epare go connect Busia ya connect Bungoma yagenda Buganda yatirimbuka Tanzania Tarime yagenda Mwanza Dar es Salaam yagenda Pimis. That road is very pathetic. Omugambi kebwate a contractor around site. You did not even raise waheshimiwa mbarize taliya general bali bachie toro. They did not raise.
They understand on that because you know ekirina kwa na kora summary. I never mentioned the parea daraja moja Kabrong. It was among the projects it was a proposal and the grading is working on it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
If it was in such a proposal, when you look at the delicacy of transport, Korukablong mpaka Kisi, emechando tobwate. President yajeta egacha kubeka mache president inde yakolete ekagenda to get more tebanga kwenda begeta alibo machoke. There's nothing there. Nje naringe ko teba igo as ODM.
Yeah.
As ODM because I'm still a member who has applied Kurwo talinga sengenjora ila dimoka many months ago asengenjia again tugikoro kunga segregation biased representation na koena navy into services ODM tell you when Baba said left we lied to left when he said right we went that direction monto kiororo toto mintore roiga orantebie ogosoege koro to kiara ila Amolo Odinga ase chama tali ase Kenyan face was Africa was the world orazo asige koro to kiara ila Amolo Odinga ate biruto wazato tevire roiganga ya mwaro about 10 left tungo chioro
umasikabo ganata banata teme
ekiamagia ODM has gone down. It is unfortunate igona rego tebanga a issue ya broad based government. I want to make reference oriyo mwana ominto orioki
briefly
a issue ya broad based government iyere matatani sana because ntobwati the Baba who will stand and tell Ruto do not joke with my people. So the relationship ya ODM na chama ya a president kwa UDA njaerete buna Rutaera and we expect not much unless omosike Matiang or bulldozer arise to the occasion and make himself an opposition leader because yarore kandrenga nabwate those attributes nabwate omunguso lioza liyo mwana mindate yaba mugakorire mugasha watakonyara omuntu ondocho rabisi ko chikonyara nomumuroyo
bya mwana zikepana ayundo itoligire tukulento koja kwanera chinza chialire omusika buga mangana security ese ward yao ya Bugusero na kuruese bunge ya kitutu cha South
nyuma tarage kwanera balenge state house goterende angana kwaneda mangana jo
nkoto taibia
state of security kisi counting bana ngusi ntobuga timorembe na intu astokorwa
ontagete gotebi you know ntobwate representation koro ate constituency level kuna na ate ajinguru jiane jikoera at county level you know
Bugusero jikotara Bugusero gachi aso county
because whoever I escorted to state house ne boss ya no gurukumu gavana na ndebona ali na wade ngurujigo kwa na gavana karo is my boss and I must respect my boss ekinta getego tebangeringa one asabari bamanyitenje ninde umuntu wate principles ya nebanga bano mintegira wata magoso enjong mote onataka ukwana about security unaona security I'm talking about ya chagite bwangoiga as a ward ya Bugusero ya bantu bakuna june mioro almost every day na security mujando security ochagete immediately after a gold ya toka within ward ya Bugusero abantu mbaru migori
bagacha kuya
abantu bagacha kuya gari abantu bagaochogana bakaru including Mombasa bagacha gari bakamenya within Musocho abandi bakamenya within Eroga so immediately une gold ya togete ense kababia so after yake bono abantu banyoro barasa gold baburure kibao bara bono bachagire kuganya abantu baitugutwa una togo kwana iga omumuroyo mo aboda boda rider imukigwa nepigipiguru ali Musoje stage akagenda gachigoiterwa ali gesieka so una togo kwana iga na matanga in fact togo banga oikera lero iga omunyagitari oyo mo menyete within Bugusero ari nyagitari KTRH because ya butori tuko bokonomo unango kwana iga one of the staffs okora service umujumbe CDF Musocho aganyere tu ali St Mary's magaya cardinal agakwe miorogoro sana n'ubugima bwa yakorwanira KTRH na bande abange egende kigia jagirite kurwasa kurungarera abagera abo bagarukorwa mu Bay County bagajoin n'abaga bagarosie team egoita abantu butwa bagito mutule diorera umoro mutu ajete gojera moyo nyangina igo eginta itego teba
umuchando nemere mbata bugati bagokora
umuchando nemere muraenda I can tell you for free abana bagokora ibinde bineke oliege kere between 16 to 25 years tari bantu bane iko nare gosabanga serikali abwa sendo yomo under the leadership y'umujumbe Muske Anthony Kibagendi whose administration ere ando mujumbe and I'm not happy ngatara kwa nere issue ya security anataka address ya issue ya security and if possible because mambintu wate a very serious meeting in a stakeholders ba musojo unare ko request ngonye kara around nera atendi mukutano uyu erinda ategerera igwa abana inchi baya ningi bagukwana because we will not sit down and watch abantu bagoitwa almost every day ngauna toko kimambi oiko igungo muntu natagete rero baikere baka bagutanga na nyumba kwaboka mambi kwanyore TV gwaka watch teyo nyumba
nane ngana kwa chika te nyumba ka nyumba chika
kwaboka mambi kwanyora ngendagere yatigare chikoni teyo you can imagine nabu nyumba mwao no ane sabanda barenge baka bagagwanya kurara you don't know
you got to spare your life in avi
no nyene injira bago ikabagore binde binyumba paka baragera otaigweti I don't even know igenda ete gosabaiga nande ndikwese bantu bari within musocho osobo gusero mambintu bwate meeting within our market musocho nare gosaba mwenzi pi bari muranyo liba kamambi please karibu erinde torosi security team yetu kosi serikali bona nyene yaro kingatita idigo tokwanya abaskari bare police station ya musojo I can tell you for free emire moyoga bagora ne yoko genda marume basangirira ibese kuko wetani abu nothing lero igangise ko mukiezi mimba tenga amaruna arendo ja konyeuga you will see them bakomyoga ojo very fast bari na ndichipipi namanya kuruwa bono for that reason na request umujumbe because nero go to represent at national level ato request ri chigari because natonya kumana nga security nembe nyanjo police station ogendo ore gari bagotumia oba ise go sympathize na baro oise ko enda nyako police station not even a border mbabwati mosojo is more worse a police station e korenda chiwod wetani sa etabwati gari this is very unfortunate igona argo sabanga if it means chiwese chitonya ukwana cha CDF tindo che reason iragera omonto to tenga chibesa nke gaga kyogore no gora no ene gari emo egosabwe police station because it is necessary na inakubariwa ngakia gorete bona aganyura nga obisi ya police nebwente kwa gajo nyanjo tainyura nga baade yoko bagajira obisi tigaba gore ne gari because yabanda banatonya ko baita ngakiota geto barangeri na crime scene batabuga at means yo igoro egikeroki nabonta gete ko muri kweza smaja astubate differences nere njitimbo atise ginere nga gose joko murwani nga negero onta gete njinda gete gero gyo bojumbe it will reach a time nga kingo getaka ekere chinga kinya sara nganjire go for now onta ide ko musaba gore mirimo ya na nda tanya koreti I want to promise nga bado njini musumu because yongo kwana kwa niaba y'abantu babugusero ongo kwana inje mouthpiece ya bugusero girabone that's why nate banga bono ada isise nje ba MC bande barare kirazime onya babo Richmond mbada ide kwana babo yagi mbada ide kwana baba muzi babo diuki basundo kirazime inje wekankwana kwa niaba y'abagetutu igonta ide gotanga bono ninjira iro mokobo getutu wekandwa nera bagetutu inere point natagete
bia mona ko bachinza chelire Dennis etogo chaka naye au kwane comment ya yo mweli go kenre mna last word ga sedi tukulia lero togo kolira ni pindi giga amangana majeke onga chinza bere tuagie kisani getani bagegire kyonga chinza nya kigenda tago chimotulio
bia mono we bono tua bere togo changia ebirere bigendere tabia Raila unfortunately life must go on ekero mosiba kuno yokoba okoma chikoranga especially bali touched chokoma chikoranga obogimo bwate na gosekere gente giatene na in one way or the other na weko machikoba but bono lendo ikatomu bon ibintu bigendere mero bigendere to our leaders it's time yoko reflect nkiba abere bakokora because ama kweli aronaro osekende ngekonyole politically na bakonyanga kwa very challenged tema ko reflect in Raila kolire naye una individual asego reflect on yourself nkioro cho kwa koliro mwananchi especially issues when change security na bintu binde bile of much concern to mwananchi
Bernard
Andete kwireneria ritang'ani ng'ambia muno Getembe ase ogotwari baga gukwanera amang'ana y'ebirero na gusira kumusikira Raila Amolo Odinga ntebe ng'a guchiasa Abakenya bonsi na eamate n'abairi bonsi bomusike Raila Amolo Odinga esae abae omorembe aba obwanchani naende abagate ekero babangete koenia omugaka Raila Amolo Odinga na gwetania yonsi nkoboria serikali ya Kenya anene bunaringana omweshimwa abekire kero engakie yere yebirero abantu bari na magomba amange serikali yebeke oborendi boisaine asikera mu Kenya na mibange ndio sigenderete na anene na nchemborie omosike kibagendi nga amangana omosike Vincent aretire korubuguseru aire ribaga nene ekiagera ngo ikara sara city committee as a national security abanga sobwango naende akoro mukutano ne county commissioner na aba obisa bonse ase okoreta omurembe ase award tekonyarekana mu MC aririgisa kweke naende nere uri umurai igo kwere nimbia muno Getembe ase ribageri mwato ninya sabalinde
Masika ya buga yo ngana ya security njarenge yo mweri wana yo mweri kabisa nayo chori dega iga nayo go represent
bia muno na bonta gete ko irari bageri ntebe nga nimeshukuru so kondangeri actually narenge sabari kuru Nairobi tendai kanonye boneka but amape timu ya Getembe with the leadership yenu mwanganjira na njembaiga they among my brothers and I'm happy to kwa nebi ngiri bageli gante benga nebirero turi ono no nyembali bagonya guturuta makindi baratwira ngora turalira mo especially jinga kiunejiga na asiri my patrina issue ne party will decide come 2027 because na intubono we katoli direction ye party tokonyorage ko yumba tutajipanga. I also want to request now this high time umuske matianginere bank I take charge of Nyanza because ono na intu tiatonya liva gatora abagere batubwa this because it were toko babwa this issue with the security na ina bonta itoke mentera ngomuske mujumbe tema tokonye to mentera waskari at first unaona police station ya Musojo tebwa waskari baisaine police station ya Nyakoe nonye ni fact na ino visite bwati ogendo roro baise ko barora mabera it is a kiosk ba komboeti umondo bono kere almost kugunze ogendo no ine kero gogyo kabagwe karasankeyo oise ko genda nyanjwa na genda galia crime the other day ngaiwe gergo gi plastic ke bunigete kurumaga ngasinyo singo ikarazo mujumbe kindly take note of that ndagete nkorera na ndengiro raso gotebanga abantu bari within bugetutu kindly ntwate meeting ya security mambi ase market ite ya Musojo bari muranyora libaga mumekaribisha otherwise or I can say ngeringa nyasaba seni mwensi na ende mwe bange because ya makwere naro
bia mono nayo mwancho murigereria sengencho yo gwancha kaba amo na intweli tukarigaria rero ritukuria rengeri mwamkegima tutwanya kaba tukurigereria century ya bene na na Muski Dennis Orioki head of state commendation no muskare na ngaite kinga kinjira tatu kurigero kwa senator ya county ya Kisii Muske Vincent Abuga homo MCA bogodi ya Bogusero na boigo murone bwene bwa mangana yebo mwanya bantu Muske Bernard Nyamwaro tanya kwa sina tabo likero gedi yonse kina ba muskare abuna to ko dele tukeliga ya lero mwancho murigereri ne litungolengilia bereri komu asomo Kenya ondebwensi ase anyade kaba kotwara magombo na mayenda ko bwatekana amono gusira kwae omo raibu kia magia ODM Muske Raila Amolo Odinga wikira uno to gukorera amangana iga gusiri tukuria lero no to gukorera engwane ya itotwanya ko to gutwara Jones ya bwatrantia amangana maya ncheni ngongoro kwaro ni to nyangiri magiga yeji kamera nigo arenge Lucas Mogaka na ensemo ya transmission nigo kurukwa Mike Willis genda gutwara obuliri bya Getembe TV kongekya musi boigo otware ogotkobya
45 omwana boyorengo mokonyi bumurai bwenso motangani omusike Jaramogi Oginga Odinga yunainde orenge omwamiriri bwa serikali ase egekegetambe omusike Raila Odinga ekero airana kurwa asense ya German ase arenge gosoma akanyora emiremo buna omoteneneri o Kenya Bureau of Standard asarenge buna omomanager emiremo akorete ase miakene na gukinigwa koba deputy director omwaka o 1978 gwekera 1982 ekero abete gatia baraibari batakete gonchora eserikali omwaka o 1982 omotenyo 8 abanyanyimbo bagatema gonchora eserikali y'omusike Daniel Moi asebare karagwa nere Ezekiah Ochuka ekero Raila abwatatu asogokagirwa koba gatia bari babwate eganga yo gonchora eserikali y'omusike Daniel Moi akabera asejela emyaka 6.
When I was rotting in detention, I decided to spend some of the time in writing. And after a lengthy requests, which took years, they finally agreed to allow me to do some writing.
Agachaka esabali yaye akonera obusubori bw'ebyama binge kurwa ase gutware mo ekikyare koragwa no Ske Daniel Moi ikiama kiarenge gya Kanu ere amona Charles Rubia Kenneth Matiba abo bari kurura obusubori bw'ebyama kabwatwa kolendekera babwato kwa agatamago kya asense ya Norway se ahobote obugima bwaye
Cha chambers ambazo zimejengwa kuweka watu huko ndani Nyayo House nimekaa huko usiku kubwa nikiweka kwa maji na yale yote
akaba omujumbe bw'ebunge ya Kibera iyabaganitwe dae na koba Kibra nabo igola ngata ko omwaka o 1992 wika omwaka o 2007 Raila obiroga kurwanira ekerugo Kibra ngani asarwanirete omwaka o 1997 mwaka o 2007 asobocholibwa tobotutukana mwaka o 2013 insiba enya mwaka o 2017 asentren tangani kurinde kero ekegambero gya tukuterare obocholibwe tati kurwanira ekerugo ekyo.
Sasa mtashika adabu, sio? Na sisi tuko tayari kama wanachunga kwenda nao mpaka kule Kadebe. Timu ya Orange imeshinda timu ya Ndizi, sio? Bao 10-0.
Again ase obchoribo mwaka o 2022 Raila akarwanira ekerugo ekyo korende tachikubuwa Omusike Raila Odinga akolera mange asensemo ya siasa bunabono akaronera obusuburi bw'ebyama binge okwamirira katiba yo mwaka o 2005 yarenge eyeri toke neritunda eyarekarwagwa n'omusike Mwai Kibaki magaga yokubugwa asobocho bu mwaka o 2017 na itianetie buna omo people's president
of the high calling, assume the office of the people's president.
Raila obeiru mwamiriri bwa serikali asegekege tambe baga aire kurwa asitatu mwabo Jaramogi Oginga Odinga uyo olenga mwamiriri omunene bwa serikali cy'umurai nsomutangani Jomo Kenyatta aboigo omurai okabere Daniel Moi egento gokumya neba Raila ore kubwa ase obochori nigo abutenchira yo gukora emirimo nesali baadaye unabono na akorete emirimo na Daniel Moi naonya orenge omwamiriri oyo manene oge siasa.
The merger of KANU, a party of government since independence, with the NDP, a proactive and pragmatic party of opposition, presents us with an opportunity to serve Kenyans better.
The idea is not merely to dilute one party or swallow another party.
There come a time when the nation is more important than an individual.
Magega yabu na akorete gasi no musike Mwai Kibaki magega yoko mokonya kubwekerogo gikibura ibwense omwaka o 2002 kurinde tibachi kuigwana ase amwameretie asogo chenche katiba yo mwaka 2005 kurende kariye ko mwaka o 2007 asobo choribwa bwato botutukano nande bagakora emiremo amo buna omurai wense uyorenge Mwai Kibaki nere akaba buna omwaziri omonene kurende kariye ka omwaka o 2010 Raila Odinga na Mwai Kibaki bagachamo ase okoretari chikuri yali omwaka o 2010.
Today we close a long chapter in our history we put repression, exclusion, dictatorship, and heroic struggle behind us once and for all. We have opened a clean new page in our book.
Babwatrente no muraiben se okano moske Uhuru Kenyatta ase okubwatrena kwa manyikanete buna handshake. Boigo umurayo bono umuske Daktari William Ruto bakabwaterana iri korosia serikali ya broad based umuske Raila nigamanyekaine asamarita mange unabona namanyekaine buna Agwambo Baba Tinga Jacom Rao Nyundo Rap Mibei na yanda mange katika na siasa cha chense ya Kenya asabono siasa cha Kenya chikagere gocha gochencha kuripoti rege taseni kiage tambe Nchen Sam Miyenda